जब वी द कमीने met the bloody daddy, we went देवा 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 देवा. फिर फटा पोस्टर, निकला हीरो और सीधा बोला ओ फिल्मी कुलाड़ा, दे आर बदमाश कंपनी ब्रो, साले उड़ते पंजाबी हैं. फिर जब हम पाठशाला में थे, मौसम अच्छा था, दीवाने हुए पागल और हमने चांस पे डांस कर दिया. फिर भी हमारा दिल मांगे मोर करता रहा. आखिर में चुप चुप के हमने 36 चैराटाउन में शिखर के साथ विवाह कर लिया और बोले वाह लाइफ हो तो ऐसी.
क्या बात है.
किसके साथ
Thank you.
विवाह कर लिया?
शिखर
शिखर उसकी फिल्म है या
अजय देवगन,
शाहिद
शाहिद कपूर.
Oh, fuck. I was like, ये इस इंट्रो में जानवी नहीं मिली तो जानवी
Yeah.
गे.
I could have said कबीर सिंह as it. Shit. अरे यार कबीर सिंह के साथ पर विवाह कौन करना चाहता है? Welcome to Pop Conversation. I'm Tansu Shankar, joined by
Snail and Nizam.
Abbas Momin.
and guys, bringing an awesome episode to you. We are gonna talk about Shahid Kapoor films and the tears that they fall in. Are
And
they
the tears that they've given us.
Yeah, some of them are
Some of
quite
them,
tearful.
yes.
Guys, so big episode. Okay, we have are Shahid films masterpieces? Does he have any masterpieces there? Are any of them trash? Or are most of them mediocre? We'll find out just very shortly. But before that,
should we thank them for having already come for our live show, or is
ओ हाँ, like अभी जब ये एयर हो रहा है, प्रीमियर हो रहा है, तब हम लोग लाइव कर रहे हैं.
oh, ऐसा है क्या?
Oh, it's on the day.
It's on the day.
Why are we releasing it on the day? Let's release it the next day.
Yeah, release the next day.
चलो ठीक है. Saturday कर देंगे. वैसे हम usually Friday करते हैं.
If you came to our show yesterday, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yes.
So awesome. What a banging awesome
Yeah,
show,
what a
right?
sold out
Yes.
show.
Oh, what a
Wow.
crazy show, dude. Crazy.
Thanks for all the you guys threw on the stage. Yeah, we've collected them.
Thank you, yes.
and kept them as souvenirs.
Abbas has collected all of them. And he smells them at night. Okay.
अब है ना अपना पॉडकास्ट का नाम क्रीपी कोलाड़ा.
Hey, not a bad name. Sisi, creepy colada.
मेरे को सीसी में मार्क कर देना.
सीसी करती मैं मरूं ब्रो.
So
Sisi, huh?
so basically, we're gonna get to the Shahid Kapoor stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. But before that, Abbas and I saw a movie,
Yeah.
Happy Patil.
Happy Patel.
Happy Patil.
Happy Patel.
Which we've already talked about on the live, but we're gonna also talk about it here.
Let me just say, just straight off the bat, the promotions of Happy Patel much funnier than Happy Patel itself.
I'm
Hey.
sure.
What?
Baby.
You not agree?
So I actually
Oh, you didn't find either of them funny.
I went into the movie blind. Actually, I saw the
Why?
first
So you
teaser.
didn't watch it?
तो चश्मे घर भूल गया था.
First,
So you didn't watch
I
it.
think I saw the first teaser when it was released. उसके अलावा मैं कोई भी ये नहीं देखा ट्रेलर या promotion.
You didn't watch the Sunil Grover thing?
हाँ, that I saw. Yeah.
तो फिर
But that is not about the movie.
भाई तो 3 में से
That's
2
about
चीजें
the
तो देख ही
movie.
लिया आपने.
As in, it's not giving away what the movie is. It's purely a promotional
yeah, I'm talking
activity.
about the promotions only, no?
Yeah, that was funny. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying.
Funnier
movie
than
is
the
also
film?
funnier. Funny.
Movie is, yeah.
I enjoyed the movie.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it has a lot of flaws.
So yeah, what I would say is that it is almost, like everything, most of the things in the movie, okay, the jokes in the movie are said in such a tone ke, isn't it crazy that we just said what we said? Isn't it crazy that we just made this joke? Okay, why are you not laughing, finding that funny? But it's not that. See, everything is like has an inkling of humor. Like it's toward like thoda over the edge hota, then it would have been actually funny. But most of the things just fall short and end up just seeming lame. Okay, like old jokes, repeated jokes.
So can I give a more thorough breakdown of
Yes,
what I thought?
please.
So I'll tell you 2 things that I really liked about the movie.
Okay.
One is that it wears its stupidity like a badge of honor. Okay, there
Sure.
is no hint of seriousness in the movie.
Yeah.
It's a stupid movie. It's a joke a minute kind
Dude,
of a
like
thing.
to that point, there is a running joke in the movie where Happy Wheel's character every time he's saying तुम यहाँ पे कैसे आए? So like Tom यहाँ पे कैसे आए? And every time he says Tom, an actual white
random
dude
white
named
guy turns
like
up and is like,
one Tom. Hi, I'm just a tourist.
Tom कौन हो? हाँ, I'm just a tourist. Every time the same
Every
white
single
guy.
time.
I thought that was hilarious. Okay,
Every
that
single
was-
time?
Yeah, that was
Dude,
one
no.
of the
No, man.
that running gag was funny.
Bro,
let me
इसमें
come
ऐसा
to
ऐसा
that.
तो उसमें नो
Not at all.
एंट्री में जब अनिल कपूर कहता है हे भगवान,
हे भगवान, it's that
तो
only.
भगवान वहां से निकलता
It's
है.
that
or
only.
or the be positive gag in
Yeah,
no
yeah.
entry every time
Yeah.
someone
Yeah.
says be positive. So the movie wears its stupidity like a badge of honor. That I really like. Secondly, it owns up to its A rating. Okay, it's not trying to be family friendly. It's
Sure.
not trying to be.
But
so
that
in
doesn't make
India,
it all. None of
let
these
me-
things
you
make
let
it
me
all-
complete what I'm
Sorry,
saying.
sorry.
In India, we don't have the aspect of the R-rated comedy, right?
Sure,
So
yeah.
this is as close, I think, as we can get for an R-rated comedy.
But we've had Delhi Belly,
In what year?
bro. So movie
In
should
what
be
year? In what year?
2008, 11, huh?
What year are we in now? How many
2021.
R-rated comedies did we make in 15
That's fine.
years?
But what I'm saying is, that the level of comedy should be getting theoretically should be getting better
But
and
it
not getting
hasn't.
worse.
That's what I'm saying.
But that's what
Also, I mean, Delhi Belly के
Regardless.
साथ इसको compare तो Delhi Belly is a far
they are only
superior-
comparing, bro, again and again.
It's a far superior
Yeah.
film. And Delhi Belly is a much better written movie, right? So that's the other thing. The thing I did not find or found missing in Happy Patel was stakes. Like Delhi Belly has stakes, okay?
Sure.
The Vijay Raj character, they try to do that somewhat in this with the Mona Singh
Mona Singh
character.
character, yeah.
She's styled very well. She's given a very good character, but she's
Sure.
very one note throughout,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
There's nothing much she does. But bro, there are such like very weird, silly things in this movie
Yeah.
that I enjoyed. I'm like,
You
okay,
enjoy-
it's not reaching its potential, but it's still fun. It was fun to watch.
You should watch Son of Sardar too, Abbas.
Sure, yeah, maybe.
I think you'll enjoy that film.
Yeah, so
I
I-
have audience now.
I feel I was quite disappointed. Like the thing is, right? I was expecting something hilarious out of left field. You know, like really,
Bro,
like
parts
almost.
of it are out of left field.
They are very out of left field, but they're not funny
Two
anymore.
white
They're
guys
not
are
funny.
raising a brown guy, and he
Bro.
never notices that he's brown. That's hilarious.
That's yeah. So like, it's funny only. It's like the first thought of the premise. Everything when
I
they
agree. It's like this could
Implementation.
have been this could have been an out and out
Yeah.
laugh right.
Correct.
Which it is not.
Yeah, exactly.
But bro, there are funny bits.
There are funny bits,
Yeah.
but it's not. I wouldn't say it's a hilarious movie and it's a must watch for sure. If you would say it's a recommend, it's a very soft recommend.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
It's not like, oh, you have to watch it, it's hilarious, you'll have a good time. It's not even, doesn't even come close to Madgaon Express for me.
हाँ मैं ये सोच रहा था like Madgaon but then see that's the thing, right? It's very difficult to compare Happy Patel to any recent Hindi film comedy because what it's going for is very different. Madgaon Express is more like your mainstream Hindi comedy.
This is also trying to be that. It's trying to be the Delhi Belly of that. You know what I mean?
I
Thoda
don't
hatke,
think so.
thoda ajeeb sa,
हाँ,
thoda
हाँ.
has its niche,
Yeah.
might
That's
have a
what-
cult following maybe later.
हाँ that's I think 2.5-3 साल में ये
थोड़ा
film
तो हो
cult
जाएगा.
following आ जाएगी.
Yeah, but still, I will always
But
say.
would that cult following be because of the dearth of such films or yo genuinely
Bro,
इतनी
that-
अच्छी
no,
होगी?
I think dearth of such films, yes. I don't think another Happy Patel will happen in another 2-3 years. I was saying that I agree with your point के like some things, for example, जैसे वो एक gag है इस film में that there's a character played by Shari Bhash who's a Sardar ji, and the first time Veer's character who's come from England to Goa,
Yeah.
what he learns is that Indians love to communicate through drinking chai. तो चाय सुड़क के बात कर रहे होते हैं.
or like,
ठीक है?
plate में डाल के.
हाँ. So again, in theory, that gag is funny, but it's funny for 10 seconds.
And in execution, it's very
It's
unfunny.
overdrawn.
And very
it's
unfunny.
funny for 10 seconds.
Exactly.
हाँ.
The first
But it
instance of
keeps
it.
going.
And it.
And then the second one was when
That was very bad.
the henchmen,
Yeah.
when Mona Singh's henchmen are singing the Qawwali and it's supposed to be horrible.
Yeah.
That also, I'm like, okay, why is this so bad? Right? They're using it as a torture device. But I'm like, okay, tell me why this is so bad. But dude, so some things are very out of left field. I think the climax was also very out of left field. So for that, I thought I had fun. Like, it's not a perfect movie. It's the script should have gone through 3-4 drafts more probably.
Exactly, yeah.
But Veer makes it work actually. I think the way
he has a solid British accent.
He has a
like
solid,
comedically charged.
Hindi British
way.
accent, yeah.
मैंने एक रिव्यू में पढ़ा था कि इसमें उसमें मतलब रिव्यू में लिखा
बता
हुआ
देना
था-
तूने नहीं देखी है.
हाँ
वरना
मैंने
लोग सोच
मतलब इसीलिए मैं चुप हूँ इतनी देर से वरना इतना चुप तो मैं नहीं ही रहता बट मैंने एक रिव्यू में पढ़ा था उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि द फिल्म इज फनी वुड हैव बीन फनी ऑन पेपर जिससे लोगों को कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि इसको बना लेते हैं तो मतलब वो कह रहे पिक्चर देख के ऐसा लग रहा था कि हाँ पेपर में बहुत फनी हुई होगी बट एग्जीक्यूशन शायद उतना फनी नहीं
Yeah,
निकला
yeah.
है।
props
could be.
though that this is testament to how till last minute they were editing this. There is a parody of the Thoos Thoos Khoos Khoos song from Dhurandhar,
Okay, wow.
where Veer enters the villain's den and they have this parody Thoos Thoos bakery mein khana Thoos Thoos. And he's entering in slow motion dancing. I'm like,
Bhai,
bro,
yeah.
the movie came out in December.
ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि ये कॉलेज प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बच्चों ने लिखी होगी
Yeah.
एंड वीरदास वाज लाइक हे
my bro.
ब्रो आई कैन ऐड सम थिंग्स टू इट एंड मेक इट अ फिल्म
Also, the two cameos, the Amir Khan cameo and Imran Khan cameo, would have been way funnier if they were kept a secret. But
Oh,
yeah.
Sumuki Suresh is in the movie.
Oh, thanks for the spoiling that other cameo.
She's the very first scene, dude.
Yeah,
okay.
it is.
The very
It's
first
a little
sequence.
weird though that they made her play a Gujarati character because Sumuki is not known for playing Gujarati.
Yeah,
characters.
sure.
If, someone, if
Also,
it was someone like Supriya Pathak or someone,
Yeah.
it would have been way funnier.
yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
And it was just like it's nice to see people you actually know and have met.
That's
you know.
the thing. I'm
Mayank
like a lot
Parak,
of
friend of
people
mine.
in on screen and behind the scenes are people I've worked with in writing
Yeah,
writers
yeah,
rooms and
exactly.
all.
Oh, so that's why you have to.
Ah,
say
so
that
I
you
can't
like
be.
it.
No, I can't. And I'm to saying that it is not the funniest thing ever.
Yeah.
But it's enjoyable. It's not like I can't be 100% objective because again, it's made by people. I won't say I know them, but I've been around them. But
मतलब see, it's not like you'll come out of it like यार बिल्कुल ही बेकार फिल्म थी वो तो नहीं
agreed.
ठीक है
Yeah.
but you're not gonna come out of it यार
कि मजा आ
बहुत
गया।
हंस के मजा आ गया it's not that either
समझ गया मतलब
Like,
But bro,
I
Son
came
of
out of
Sardar is better than मतलब
चुप
Happy
रह।
dude I came out of Madgaon Express thinking wow I had such a fun
I
amazing
came
time
out slightly under impressed with Madgaon Express also. I went in with very high expectations.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. I had a great time in Madgaon Express, so I came out like very happy. Like, oh, I was such a good comedy movie after a year, after so many
Oh,
years.
really? Okay.
I did
So,
not think that for this.
If you were to ask me between this and Madgaon Express, which was funny, I would say Madgaon Express is a better movie, but not by a lot. I'm like, okay,
Oh,
it's
dude,
Madgaon
by
Express is a
quite a
little
lot.
better.
If you watch it again, there are so many more better laugh moments, even acting wise, performances wise. Madgaon Express is way
Pratik
better.
Gandhi is way funnier in
Both
Madgaon
of them, dude.
Express.
Divyendu is awesome in Madgaon Express. He has so many amazing, hilarious moments. Great, dude.
But he's playing a Maharashtrian in that, which is a little
What's with your Maharashtrian
casting
thing, dude?
against type.
Why? This is the fifth time you're mentioning this someone in Maharashtra.
Divyendu is a.
Why do you care so much?
I mean, Divyendu is a North Indian playing a Maharashtrian. He's
So,
not.
actors
he's
are actors
not
for a reason.
I know he's not able to pull it off as well.
But you
Arey,
know
bro.
the
I didn't even remember that character was Maharashtrian. I don't think that's important to the plot in any way.
No, he speaks Marathi and all.
Who gives a shit? It's a funny movie. A buzz.
I thought Happy Patel was also funny.
Okay.
Not funniest, but fun. I mean, you can.
Fair
go
enough.
watch
Are you
it with
are
your
you are you
friends.
planning to watch it? Are you looking forward
yeah
to
yeah
watch
of course I
Okay.
plan to watch it but you know देवेंदु किसका को एक्टर रह चुका है शाहिद कपूर का इन
मैं दूसरा segue था एक
बत्ती
ready.
बत्ती गुल मीटर चालू
it? That's true, actually. Yes. Batti ko meter chalo. Mediocre.
Hey, one last thing. on
very
Happy
good
Pat-
subject though
Actually,
A
dude,
very good
and very well
subject.
acted by
The movie.
Shahid, I must say.
the movie yes
ठीक है, we'll come to that. One last thing about Happy Patel I want to ask is like, don't you think that again, since we keep harping about ke Bollywood is not making any comedies, in that atmosphere to just see a completely off the hook silly movie,
That's true.
I thought it was a little refreshing.
Exactly, dude. Exactly why. I love these silly movies which are almost spoof. It's almost a spoof
Did
movie,
you
but
watch
not really.
the Liam Neeson Naked Gun?
Great.
very good
So isn't this somewhere in the same
It's
ballpark?
trying to be.
It's like joke a minute.
Bro,
just
it's
throw-
trying to be, but it's not. That's what I'm saying.
Acha, okay.
It doesn't land like that. It doesn't. The jokes don't land like that. Liam Neeson is actually the jokes are actually funny. Written by Akiva
Schaffer
Schaffer from
something like that, yeah.
the Lonely Island.
Yeah.
And dude, they actually work those jokes. And again, nothing compares to the original Naked Gun.
Yeah.
Leslie Nielsen one. So this is definitely trying to be that. It's trying to be in that genre. It's where it's almost a spoof movie, but not
Not exactly.
not
yeah,
because, but it
yeah,
still
yeah.
has like a plot
Correct,
and whatever.
yeah.
But it doesn't exactly get there. I wish it did. I really wanted it to work because the trailers looked good. The promotion, I was very, like it's a very unique way of promoting.
Yeah.
I was actually very
self-efficacy.
excited about the film, but आप लोगों की बातें सुन के मेरा मोराल नीचे हो गया. I couldn't watch
exactly.
it because of the birthday weekend and I was traveling and all that, तो मैं देख ही नहीं पाया. But
Even see, even what I'm hearing from your
Yeah.
thing is you had a good time, but you wouldn't call it like a phenomenal film.
No,
by
not at
any
all.
means.
Yeah. But my thing is again because we are so starved for decent comedies, not even good comedies,
Yeah.
that I'll take this. I'm like, ठीक है, अगर तुम महीने में ऐसी 3 पिक्चरें भी बना लोगे, I'm happy if you're giving me this.
Movies like
महीने में
this.
ऐसी 3 पिक्चरें बनेंगी तो फिर तो वो आप सबको
Sorry, I
bash
meant
करने लग जाओगे
6
ना.
महीने में 3 फिल्में ऐसे बना
But then, so movies like this are great for Bollywood in general, I think, because these are like mid-funnel movies where it doesn't cost too much to make, so the recovery is easier. Even though it doesn't earn that much,
Yeah.
it might. I think it'll very easily make its budget back and have a little
मेरे को
bit
तो लगा
profit.
50 करोड़ भी अगर बना ले ये फिल्म तो
सही है,
बहुत है.
profitably है.
50
फिर तो
करोड़
मतलब
बहुत ज्यादा बोल रहे हो आप.
But I
I
think
highly doubt
bro,
50
देखते
करोड़
टाइम मैं
बनेगी.
सोच रहा था
Oh,
ये फिल्म थिएटर में रिलीज हो गई वही बड़ा अचीवमेंट है. I think
It
if
is more of a
Aamir was-
Netflix
if-
watch.
If Amir was not backing this, there's no
Yeah.
way
Yeah.
this would have
I get
reached the theaters.
And
So,
it
yeah.
is also possible
Then
that
we'll get streaming में more eyeballs.
yes, because it is that kind of a movie.
Correct,
It
yeah,
is
yeah,
not
yeah.
an event movie that you need to go.
But you know what? I was having this a conversation with a friend of I don't know if you know him, Anuj Mehta.
Yeah, I love Anuj.
Anuj.
Yeah.
Anuj was saying this is the kind of movie you should watch with a crowd because the more
Sure.
you laugh, the more silly.
That I get.
silliness will rub off more
Yeah.
with a crowd.
Yeah,
अकेले
that's
तुम बैठ के देखोगे तुम लोग कि क्या चूतिया बना रहे हैं मेरे सर पे
Yeah,
चूत गिर जाएगा.
could be, yeah. That. So my theater.
But I also feel that this will get more eyeballs and accolades on streaming.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah.
So also again, because it's so fresh, right? For me,
Yeah.
I'm still not 100% sure that what my thoughts are, because I think because it is a movie that maybe in like a few months or years I do appreciate more, like
Right.
what Tismar Khan ended up being.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or a version of that.
Yeah.
It could be that,
Yeah.
but not yet for me.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I land.
Cool. So neither of us think it's a terrible movie, but neither of us think it's as funny as it should be. either.
Absolutely right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
All right, that brings us.
Snail's opinion doesn't matter.
Yes. The snail is just.
Snail likes Son of Sardar too.
You should have watched Son of Sardar with the crowd. You would have had more fun. And I can say this with 100% conviction without even watching Harry Potter.
Talking about Happy Patel, Snail is just happy we are done talking about Happy Patel.
Yeah, dude.
Let's get to it then. Guys, huge. Shahid Kapoor. Absolutely.
How do you know, bro?
There's something you don't know, Antariksh.
Great. The timing of that couldn't have been perfect.
See, Happy Patel doesn't have jokes like this.
This was way funnier than Happy Patel.
Yeah, dude. At least it's it's genuine and it's,
From the heart.
From the heart, and it's what do you call, dude? Fucking what is that? Oops, I dropped my. Okay.
Bro,
Unhinged,
there's
Unhinged.
one very funny line. मेरी रीढ़ की हड्डी का फट गया.
यार ये लाइन भी ट्रेलर में है. ऐसा क्या है?
हाँ,
इसने
भाई.
दो
अगर-
तीन फनी चीजें तीनों ट्रेलर में डाल
अगर
दिया
आपने
क्या?
ट्रेलर नहीं देखा हैप्पी पटेल का तो मत देखो, सीधा पिक्चर में जाओ क्योंकि सारी फनी लाइंस ट्रेलर में डाली उन्होंने. Anyway, coming back to
All right, Shahid Kapoor, I think one of my favorite actors for sure in
Really?
Bollywood.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Same.
Not for you?
he was, but of late he's made some very bad choices.
Yeah, so I am the kind of so for me, it's if I think I really like an actor, it takes a lot to get them out of my favorite actors list.
यार but
What will it take? Give me an example.
Dude, if you like murder someone, you know.
so
So
Diddy
Adi-
is not one of your favorite actors.
Okay, so where would you stand? Like now you're no
so,
longer enjoying.
I think still mid 2010s, I was still very much on board with him.
For-
I still like him, but I feel like he's not driving the films that he does anymore like he used to.
Bro, I genuinely think he's one of the finest actors that we have.
Yeah.
I don't think he's given a single bad performance. He's given a lot of bad films.
No, he's
Yeah,
given
but
some
then
bad
the-
performances also, bro. Like early on, a lot of performances are very
Yaar,
mid.
I think the era was only that chocolatey
No.
boy
Yeah, but that doesn't
era
mean-
for Shahid.
but bro, like your acting can still be good in a in that
यार
kind of
एक्टिंग
movie.
तो उसने कब खराब करी
यार-
एक्टिंग तो उसने अच्छी ही करी है
कुछ movies में he's not great. Like in Fool and
Kismat
Final and all,
Connection.
he's okay only.
भाई
Fool and Final is a better movie
भाई
because of
Full
the
and Final में
cast.
शाहरुख भी होता ना तो भी वो खराब ही होनी थी वो
ये वही पिक्चर है ना ये दूरियां
हाँ.
भाई क्या
I mean, yeah, we should mention that Shahid was first and foremost a dancer before
या
he was an actor.
sure.
शामक डावर
Yeah.
Shamak Dawar, yes. So should we
Star
just
student. हाँ.
should we just get into it then?
Yeah, let's
Talk
get
about
into
this
it.
भाई मतलब 25 मिनट बाद भी अगर पूछना पड़े हमें
पर बता दे पहले लोगों को कर क्या रहे हैं exactly.
So basically, we are rating all of Shahid Kapoor's entire filmography into a tier list, and the tiers that we have to
Slot them in.
determine
Yeah.
which what movie should fall in which tier. The tiers are a masterpiece, great, that is a masterpiece movie, then a great movie, a good movie, mediocre, and trash. Trash is absolute full fan.
Yeah.
Okay, so this discussion, I think, before we actually get to the films, okay,
Yeah.
we told you what the tiers is gonna be. People often, okay, nowadays talk about the next Khans, right? Ranveer Vicky is usually the name right now. What we are seeing forming as the
Yeah.
next three, big three.
Triumvirate.
Yeah,
of
the
triumvirate.
trio.
Yes,
Trimurti.
correct. Shahid somehow gets left out of that discussion.
Bro, Shahid, you know, I feel
He has his own
Shahid is Saif Ali Khan.
Yes.
What?
That's a good one.
Shahid?
No, that's
He-
his
he's-
ex's ex. Ex's husband, sorry.
current, हाँ.
That's what Karina wishes for.
Bro, he had one of the funniest answers in Coffee with Karan.
Yeah.
Where Karan asked him, if stuck in an elevator with Saif Ali Khan, what would you talk about? So Shahid was like, I think it will be the quietest elevator ride, and there'll be a one ting, and then the door will open.
But they've actually done a movie together.
Yeah,
wait,
Rangoon, right?
Ruk.
हाँ.
Why do you think he doesn't count though in the three Khans still?
Because I think the film choices, the films that he has done, none of them have had like an impact apart from like Jab We Met or Kabir Singh. Okay, I'm not talking about positive or negative impact. Impact, just that. अगर आप खान्स की फिल्मोग्राफी की बात करो, सलमान हो गया, शाहरुख हो गया, ऋतिक हो गया, अजय देवगन हो गया, अक्षय कुमार हो गया, इन सब की फिल्म्स अर्ली ऑन करियर में ही काफ़ी इम्पैक्टफुल फिल्म्स आई हैं. शाहिद की अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसी कोई फिल्म नहीं है जिसके बारे में हम बात, लाइक द फर्स्ट फिल्म दैट यू थिंक ऑफ व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट शाहिद इज लाइक ईदर जब वी मेट और हैदर और कबीर सिंह, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम
Urta Punjab, I think.
I
and
think
उड़ता
of-
पंजाब,
my
yeah.
favorite is
कमीने
Kamine,
also.
yeah.
Kamine,
But then
excellent.
ये सारी फिल्म्स उसके डेब्यू के कुछ साल बाद आई, और कमीने भी जब आई, आई थिंक दिस वाज व्हाट, कमीने वाज 2007
2007. Yeah.
7 में जब कमीने आई, तब भी कमीने से ज्यादा बज दीपिका और इनके डेब्यू का बन गया था.
Oh, the same year
The
as
same year.
as OSO.
या
Okay, as Om Shanti.
सो ओम शांति ओम, तो वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है
Sure.
कोई भी साल ऐसा नहीं रहा जिसको हम कह सकें कि भाई ये शाहिद का साल रहा है.
So do you think somewhere it's also like a PR problem? Because like
No, I think he lacks star charisma that a Hrithik or a Shahrukh or an Amir or a Salman has.
Bro, but वो
I think
charisma
he's a better actor than he is a star, but he wants to be a star. So even the films of his that have worked well, whether it's Kamine or Kabir Singh or Urta Punjab, they're strong characters. They were characters written for him by the filmmakers and the writers.
Okay. That's a good point,
In a film like Kabir Singh, that works because he's playing this rowdy kind of a brash character. So, and given that Reddy Vanga makes the kind of characters that pop out of the film and actually have real life impact, that's why it worked for him. For Kamine, for Urta Punjab, all of these.
For Haider, dude.
For Haider, all of these, he's too good an actor to be a star. I think there's something about Shah Rukh, Amir, Salman, Hrithik. I would even put someone like a John Abraham in that category, where their off-screen persona, when they enter a room, heads turn. I don't think Shahid has that.
because he's short, no, वो दिखता नहीं.
ठीक है.
Shahid enter होगा.
Then we have Amir and Ranveer in the conversation. Shahid. But I think do you also think कि वो charisma build ही तब होता है when you've given a certain number of hits.
No, I think it's for Shah Rukh. It was there right from Deewana, before DDLJ, before any of these. You see his early TV time interviews. Also, there is something about him that like fuck, this guy's gonna be a star.
Sure,
शाहिद
sure.
से को मेरे को आज तक भी वो फीलिंग नहीं आती unless कोई डायरेक्टर या राइटर उसको एक्चुअली उसको प्लेटर पे ला के दे वो. That's what I'm saying. He's a great actor.
Oh,
not
he's a
good star.
beautiful actor.
Great actor.
Beautiful actor.
But he's not a good star.
But I think also, is it like, so I don't know if it's true or not, but I've heard this is again, could be again, this is the bad
Yeah,
PR
yeah.
angle, okay? I've heard that he's not as easy to work with, or he's not
Yeah, this I have
as
also heard.
he's not as, you know, like generous as with his time, or like giving as a
Right.
as a personality, if it were.
But
A
as
little rude.
like I've also heard things where people have said that he is also one of the most like the
Professional.
easiest
Okay.
actor to work with, but it depends on like the
What
day
you
that
are,
he's
okay,
had.
sure, okay.
So yeah, you never, again, these stories you never know
For
how
sure.
much to believe.
That's true.
Yeah.
कितना किस हद तक बिलीव करना है आपको इन कहानियों को, वो आप कभी नहीं बता सकते.
Right.
Alright, guys, हमने बहुत बात कर ली.
Let's get to the movies.
Let's get to the movies.
Okay.
The first movie, of course, we all know is Ishq Vishk. I can say it without even looking at his
2003.
movie list.
Yes.
Starring Shahid Kapoor.
Amrita Rao and
Vishal
Shehnaaz
Malhotra.
Treasury wala.
Vishal Malhotra is a distant cousin of mine, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The Disney
Disney
guy?
guy, yes.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Now he's hosting some crypto podcast, isn't he?
No, he's a Vishal Malhotra show.
Oh, okay.
It's
not
a regu-
That's not about crypto?
I think he's had
उसने
people.
बीच में आई थिंक क्रिप्टो पे भी
कुछ
किया
किया
था.
था.
Oh, कुछ हो सकता है. But right now it's like a regular podcast
show.
show where it gets people from the industry and
The
talks to them about
podcasting
it.
runs in the blood.
He's copied it after me, man. I'm not copied, it's got inspired by me, I guess. If he still remembers, we are related, by the way. I met him like years back. Like I met him only like 3-4 times in my
But
life.
this is also Amrita Rao and Shehnaaz Treasury wala, right?
Yes, it is correct. Yeah.
correct.
वो अजनबी मेरे दिल को
Ken
भड़का
Ghosh
कैसा
directed it,
लगा.
if I'm not wrong. So where do you put this? I would put this in good.
Good?
Yeah.
Mediocre.
Mediocre. Mediocre. Not
Ishq
good.
Vishk had a moment when it came out.
Yeah, so
The college kids went to
आज
see
के हिसाब से
this.
देखना, आज tier list
नहीं, मैं
तू
तो
कब कर रहा है?
2003 में जिंदा था और 15 साल का था.
अबे भाई
तो
पता
मैं
है
उस
someone
हिसाब से
pointed
देखूंगा.
out also
Bro,
कि अब्बास का सबसे बड़ा argument in any film is like कि मैं उस टाइम देख रहा था
Yeah,
ये
because
film
bro,
बड़ी
कुछ
होते
होता है also when
Bro.
it came out, I was there for the craze. So
So
I would say good.
the thing is, you know, Abbas, you especially,
Yeah.
if you watched Ishq Vishk today, you would have so many, knowing you, you would have a million and one problems with
But
it.
I'm not watching it today. I'm judging it from when I watched it actually.
But that's what I'm saying, dude. Like,
So that's
there's
why
no
I'm-
way it holds
It's
up.
fine, no, I'm saying good. You both are saying mediocre. It'll still go in mediocre.
That's true. You are right about that.
Kyle, तुम episode लंबा कर रहा
So
है.
finally Abbas is right about one thing
Yeah,
after 44 minutes in this episode.
I was right about a lot of things. People know. Especially Dhurandhar.
Okay, so Ishq Vishk goes in mediocre.
Okay.
Okay. But
Hmm.
do you really, like, when was the last time you saw the movie?
Years ago. More
But
than-
Ishq Vishk, one of those films that had an even worse sequel.
There was
Ishq
a
Vishk
sequel?
2, of course, bro.
Yeah, bro.
With
But Shahid
Rohit
wasn't
Saraf.
in it, right?
No.
Shahid was
No,
not.
no. Pashmina Roshan was in it.
Yeah.
Oh, हाँ, it
Yeah.
came out a couple of
Correct.
अभी
last year or
बहुत ही
something.
घटिया,
Yeah,
बहुत ही
yeah.
घटिया.
Ishq Vishk Rewind something.
Yes, that's the one.
Something along these lines.
बहुत ही
yes.
घटिया, bro. Oof.
Also, I forgot to say, I have a crush on Shehnaaz Treasury wala. That's why I was putting it in good. Anyway, moving
Welcome
on.
to Creepy Kolara, guys.
Arre, me and Shehnaaz is older than me. Why is that creepy?
What you?
Welcome to Creepier Colada.
Yeah, I think it's way creepier if it's an older. Or is it? I don't know.
Okay,
Tell us in the comments how creepy Abbas is.
Arre, they know about me and
Yeah,
Shehnaaz's creepiness. Next year, this is the height of the Kareena Shahid
Oh.
romance is blooming.
What? We have Jab We Met already?
No,
Of
Fida.
course not Fida, bro.
In 2004.
One of the most banging plot twists ever, bro.
Yes. Ajare Mahi, let's do bale bale.
This was also directed by
Ek
Ken
main
Ghosh, okay? Also starring Fardeen Khan.
ये इसका गाना है एक मैं हूँ
Ajare Mahi, let's. Yeah, it's fine.
ये फिदा का गाना
फिदा
है
गाना है.
हाँ, इसी का गाना है ये.
Shit.
There's
The
also one other very good song.
music was by Anu Malik. Huh.
Oh, there's another very good
Karam
song.
chai ki
I have no
pyari
memory of
ho.
watching this movie, so I'm gonna say mediocre.
Oh, bro, crazy.
Bro,
dude.
crazy film.
Crazy film.
Crazy film.
Crazy film. I would say definitely
I don't
Good
know
to
how,
great के बीच में somewhere.
I don't know how it performed at the box
Box
office,
office, हाँ.
but
Yeah.
when I watched it and when that twist came about, I was jumping out of my seat. I was like, bro, this cannot be happening.
Taran Adarsh gave this movie 2 out of 5 stars.
Taran
so it
Adarsh
must be really bad.
Taran Adarsh can stop reviewing films.
Taran Adarsh and I think alike. I think, yeah, between good to great somewhere, I would say. So,
Good, bro.
I would say
Good.
good, yeah.
Good.
Good to great.
Great.
Somewhere there.
Great.
No,
Great
somewhere there.
तो
Somewhere.
नहीं है.
It's a little,
Fardeen Khan movie. You're
a
gonna
little
put
above
in
good,
great.
a little below great is what I would say. But good.
You guys think
Good,
Fida is better than Ishq Vishk?
Yeah, yeah. 100%,
ब्रो
100%.
मुझे बहुत मजा आया था भाई ये वो फिदा देखते हुए
100%.
बहुत मजा आया था
Without
फिदा
doubt,
देखते
without
हुए
doubt.
So I think इसी साल में मकबूल भी आई थी. So Sunil Pal और someone had this joke के बस अब एक और पिक्चर बना दो हुसैन तो हो जाएगा मकबूल फिदा हुसैन MF हुसैन. मेरा जोक नहीं सुनील पाल का जोक
The
था.
legend of comedy.
Wow, dude, Sunil Pal would have done great in Happy Birthday.
Okay, same year another romantic comedy
Yeah.
which Shahid was known for at this time called Dil Mange More.
Bro, good.
A much better movie than Ishq Vishk, by the way.
I think I would agree, yeah.
So,
Bro.
So good still, right? Still not
Aisha-
great.
Aisha
So
Dakia,
Aisha Takia, Tulip Joshi,
Tulip
Soha Ali
Joshi
Khan.
and Soha Ali Khan.
And Gulshan Grover.
Gulshan Grover plays the owner
The
of
boss.
Planet M.
Planet
Yeah,
M,
correct, yes.
Planet M.
Planet. What a vibe. What an era. Oh my god.
And he's the playboy, no?
Yeah,
yeah,
He's
yeah.
the playboy, yes.
Bro, really? Gulshan Grover is great. How many? Wow, dude. Bad man.
So if you are saying this is better than Ishq Vishk, then this goes into good.
Yeah.
हाँ, bro.
Wow, already Shahid is off to a pretty good start.
I think he'll stay here only. But ऐसे ही आसान घूमेगा. For a while he's gonna be here.
I think दिल मांगे मोर एक टाइम पे मैं मतलब I think Z सिनेमा पे बहुत आती थी दिल मांगे
I
मोर
think.
एंड मुझे इतनी वो चिल फिल्म लगती थी कि जब भी आ रही होती थी
देख लेता था,
मैं
हाँ.
देख लेता था वो फिल्म
Yeah. It was this and Tarzan the Wonder Car. for you?
टार्ज़न द वंडर कार ब्रो
Nice,
शायद
of
भी नहीं करी ना टार्ज़न
नहीं नहीं. आयशा टाकिया आयशा टाकिया दोनों में थी.
ग्रेट
Okay, should we go to the next one?
यस
Yes.
Okay, 2005. Okay, so this is a movie I hate.
व्हाट आर यू
This is the
सेइंग
only movie we did on Hazard Age. Well, I
धुरंधर
gave
तो अभी
zero.
आई है.
I gave
चुप-
0 out
चुप-
of
चुप
10
के.
stars. No, it's दीवाने हुए पागल.
You give 0 out of 10?
I hate this movie.
Dude, it's great.
It's a terrible rip-off of There's Something About Mary.
Who cares?
There is a scene in this movie
I mean,
where,
I-
in the original movie, where Ben Stiller puts a dog into a microwave oven.
Yeah.
At least they used a real or an animatronic dog. In this, Akshay Kumar uses a stuffed
That
toy.
was funny. That's hilarious,
You're
dude.
saying Happy Patel is
Bro,
not funny.
this is way funnier than Happy Birthday.
Oh,
Don't even compare.
guys,
What are you talking
please.
about, dude?
Antriksh, you're a comedian. Have some
You
taste.
are a comedian. You have
Yeah,
some taste.
I have taste and I'm saying this is
Happy
a
Patel is
terrible
not
movie.
good in comparison to this.
इट्स बैड
Bro, इसमें
Bro.
सीन ट्रांजिशन है. सुनील शेट्टी और अक्षय कुमार ऐसे फ्रीज हो जाते हैं और उनके ऊपर से गाड़ी आती है and then the rest of the scene paints out then. That's a scene transition in this
Huh?
movie.
What? Wait,
It is
what?
in fucking
Come-
MS
describe-
Paint में किया है
Wait,
उसको.
describe that again. What?
There's a scene going on.
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar and Sunil Shetty or Aftab Shahid or whoever is in the movie.
Yeah.
And then the scene frames. And then side
Frames
से
मतलब what?
Freezes.
freezes.
Oh, okay.
Frame freezes. And then side से एक गाड़ी आती है. और फिर पीछे का सीन फेड होके बाकी का बैकग्राउंड
हाँ तो क्या हो गया
Bro, see, nobody.
Bro,
I'm not saying editing is great or anything.
This is trash.
Dude, it's so so
Fucking
many hilarious.
trash.
इसके अंदर एक डायलॉग है
I don't get you.
ये लोग-
I don't get you at all, Abbas.
ये लोग लड़की को बचाने जा रहे होते हैं और सारे गाड़ी की तरफ भागते हैं सुनील शेट्टी कहता है मैं आगे बैठूंगा मुझे जल्दी पहुंचना है
Yes, correct, dude. Yeah, dude. You remember? Say, are you an architect? Oh,
शर्म नहीं
how
आती है
the-
तेरे को ये सब चीजों में.
You know, remember the
और
architect?
मैं बोला
scene?
मेरे पास गिर जाएगी तो तू
Bro.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आई एम डिस्करेज
Great.
टू वॉच दिस
There is a great visual gag. One of my favorite visual gags is that.
आगे बैठूंगा मुझे जल्दी पहुंचना
Bro, ये तो मर गया भाई. He's gone red, bro. ऐसा क्या? Have you seen what दीवानों में पागल is doing?
या पागल ही कर
पागल
दिया
कर दिया
इसको,
भाई.
man.
दीवाना कर दिया और पागल भी कर दिया.
It's so funny.
Bro, it's great. There is
It's not great, it's trash.
one of my favorite visual gags ever. Okay, is throughout this guy Akshay Kumar is spying on Rimmi Sen's character.
Yeah.
Okay, and during his spying, he realizes that she wants like a creative architect type for a boyfriend. Okay, and so this guy takes a massive like case, like an architect portfolio, writes architect on it. It couldn't be bolder. Okay, gets gundas to attack her, saves her.
लिखता का MS Paint पर आर्किटेक्ट लिख के प्रिंट करा के
Correct.
चिपका देता है उसको
Correct. So anyway, so he saves her. Then she's like, hey, are you an architect or something? He's like, how the hell did you know that? She's like, oh, जो आपने मेरा whatever
File.
नहीं आपने मेरा वो इंडिया टुडे में आर्टिकल देखा पढ़ा होगा नहीं ओ आपने मेरी बुक पढ़ी शायद हाँ she's like no this one oh sharp eyes so funny the whole scene अब बस तेरे को गिर जाएगी
Trash.
I don't know what it talks
This is
about.
trash. Also, okay, more important.
I think it's
question.
great. Sneha and I agree it's
More
great.
important question. Is this a Shahid doesn't
less.
have much to do in this
That
movie.
is fair. That's a fair argument.
Shahid doesn't have
It's a much more Akshay Kumar,
Akshay Kumar,
Sunil,
Paresh
Paresh.
Rawal.
Paresh, bro.
Yeah, that's
crazy.
fair. Even Suresh Menon has more of a role than Shahid Kapoor.
The fact
Thanya!
the
Ayo,
fact
Thanya!
that कुत्ते का नाम मोतीलाल होता है
Bro, also, Om Puri is Suresh Menon's dad, okay? And Om Puri is like this fucking Punjabi gunda don, okay? And Sunil Shetty somehow has a South Indian accent.
इतना हंसी
And that's
और
the
यहाँ पे
funny-
दर्द शुरू हो गया
Oh, my.
Oh bro,
Bro, it's
there
so
was
stupid.
another dialogue by Asrani where he's playing by
A blind, supposedly blind.
ठीक है, and then वो सारा सब कुछ हो रहा था तो कहता है ये क्या देखना पड़ रहा है अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ
And he's not even andha actually. Turns out.
yeah bro crazy
Yeah.
Where do you want to put it?
I would say great.
bro masterpiece
Paul's masterpiece.
I would say great, dude. I still love it. I've seen
but
the movie so many times.
let's not rate this because it's not a Shahid Kapoor film
No, we have to rate it.
I mean, he's in it.
Yeah, bro.
ठीक है भाई फिर तो I think
In terms of being a Shahid film, good.
हाँ good only
Balls, bro. Mediocre में डाल चुपचाप. Trash और good का बीच का mediocre.
Bro, but it deserves more.
Fuck all. It's a shit movie, bro.
Not at all, dude. Not at all. Okay, this or Awara Pagal Deewana?
आवारा पागल.
No!
Yeah.
Dीवाने
Any
में
day.
पागल,
दीवाने
dude.
में
Any day,
पागल,
twice on
दीवाने में
Sundays.
पागल, bro.
No.
Okay,
चलो
so,
इसको-
so to be fair to Abbas, we do have to put in mediocre.
mediocre trash तो नहीं डालना इसको लेकिन हाँ
but I think it can be like
oh
a
bro
great.
मजा
also.
आ गया भाई बहुत हंस लिया मैं nice
Okay, 2005 movie that I don't think I've seen. We're moving on, right?
Yep.
Okay, वाह life हो तो ऐसी.
Oh,
oh
It's a
okay, so-
remake
so-
of this one.
you can almost call it trash.
It's a Wonderful Life.
yeah
It's
so
mediocre to
हाँ
trash.
it's mediocre to trash I've seen it you have you seen
Yeah,
it
I've seen
I have not seen this.
तेरी याद याद तेरी याद याद
Bro, उसके अंदर भी, I think-
तेरी याद याद
शाहिद so मतलब
Sanjay Dutt plays Yamraj.
He's just playing
a boy
young
yeah,
boy.
a
Sanjay
young
Dutt
boy.
is Yamraj.
Yamraj,
the
Yamraj.
Green Reaper.
Yeah.
Yes. He has like
Arshad
a.
Varsi was also.
Arshad Varsi has a cameo. He is the one who gives powers to the souls of
Oh, I forgot.
Shahid
Arshad Varsi
and
was
the
in
kid.
Fuck, I don't remember.
Yeah, dude, he's the he cues the song Hanuman Chalisa, no? He cues Hanuman Chalisa.
Oh,
जब वो उनसे पावर मांगता है
हाँ.
तो वो उसको कहते हैं कि ठीक है अब मैं हनुमान चालीसा का चैंट करना शुरू करता है अरशद वारसी एंड देन द किड विद शाहिद सेज ए पागल बना रहा है तू हमें सुपर पावर्स देने वाला था तू तो हनुमान चालीसा सुना रहा है एंड देन ही गोज ए सुपरमैन बैटमैन स्पाइडरमैन का बाप कौन हनुमान
Of course.
यस
So I don't know. Where do you want to put this?
Dude,
मतलब
Since you are the one who has the most
I
memory
think it
of
can be
watching
trash,
this.
bro.
हाँ मतलब it
Can
can
be
be trash
Fuck it, trash.
and it has like a lot of meta jokes like before meta was
A thing.
a thing yeah
Like?
like जैसे so Sanjay Dutt is playing Yamraj
Okay.
ठीक है and the whole fucking plot is कि उनको एक बंगला है इन शाहिद की फैमिली के पास जो लोग हड़पना चाहते हैं ठीक है तो पूरी फिल्म में संजय दत्त इज
Yamraj,
प्लेइंग यमराज
हाँ,
ठीक है एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड घंटी बजती है दरवाजा खुलता है एंड संजय दत्त आता है एंड दे लाइक अरे यमराज जी आप like, कौन यमराज आई एम संजय दत्त I wanted to buy this property. Is it for sale? And then everybody shouts, no! And जब पहली बार यमराज आता है तो they all of them shout, hey संजय दत्त! And like, कौन संजय दत्त? I am यमराज.
Are there no Munna circuit jokes in this? Arshad Varsi is also in it.
No.
Okay.
I think this is after Munna.
हाँ हाँ they
Yeah,
but they
2003.
don't share a screen.
Okay, got it. Okay, 2005 में ही is the titular movie we got married to called Shikhar. which
That I haven't seen.
Yes.
which
Shikhar
stars
Inayat.
Ajay Devgan and शाहिद कपूर.
Shikhar
यार
I
ये
haven't
पिक्चर इतनी अननोन है, मतलब इसके
Yeah.
विकिपीडिया पेज पे भी किसी ने फोटो खींच के उसका पोस्टर डाला है. It's not even the
How do you know
official.
that?
It's clearly look. Someone has clicked a picture of this and put it on
Oh,
Wikipedia.
Could be.
I see. I don't have any memory
Is
of
it an
watching
Ajay
this.
Devgan production? I think this was the first Ajay Devgan production
Was it?
movie. if I'm not-
Okay, no, it's produced by John Matthew Matan, who was a director of Sarfarosh.
Oh.
So yeah, I don't remember watching this, but I remember this got like average reviews.
Yeah, and I remember it got average.
So
reviews.
yeah, has
But-
any?
but
if
I
you
don't-
guys-
I don't
तूने
remember
देखी
that at all.
शिखर?
I haven't even.
So
आज
what
पहली
do-
बारी मैंने नाम सुना.
Man, we
What do
should
you
have a
wanna do?
tier list if none of us have seen a movie. We can't rate it.
Put it on like not seen.
So not seen.
I think
is
that's the
another
only
tier.
film that नहीं.
No, there will be more.
I think मैंने इसकी almost सारी films
There
देखी
might
हैं.
not be any that none of us have seen.
This is the only one.
But
What?
if you have seen Shikhar, put in the comments where you would like to put.
Yeah, but as of now, I'm putting it in not seen.
We're
in
ठीक है,
putting
just-
it
चलेगा.
in NA, not
being fair.
applicable.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, 2006, the big one.
Ooh.
An Abbas Mastan movie called 36 Chinatown.
Oh, bro. Cult. 24/7 I'll think of you. 24/7 I'll think of you.
So 36 Chinatown is so bad that it's good.
Tang, tang,
So I would-
tang, tang,
Is
tang,
it-
tang,
Is it
tang,
bad for you?
It's so bad that it's good.
क्या बात
मैं
कर रहे हो?
थिएटर में देखी थी भाई ये.
Also, this another movie, Shahid does not act that well. Even Kareena is a terrible actor in this
That's
one.
I was
Kareena
just
very,
thinking,
very bad in this one.
Who acts well in this movie?
Upen Patel, bro.
Upen Patel.
Upen Patel.
Paresh Rawal is funny. He's
Upen
always like-
Patel.
The
for
soundtrack
character.
is banger.
Paresh Rawal married to Payal Rohatgi.
Payal
Yeah.
Rohatgi.
Rohatgi.
Is it? I don't know. Yeah,
It's
she
fine.
is.
It's
yeah,
okay.
Yeah, but correct. You're right.
How am I putting it in good? It's fun. It's so bad that it's
time
good.
pass. Akshay Khanna is good in this movie. Actually.
Bro, it's so funny that one song. मुझे तुझ में बड़ी दिलचस्पी है. Bro, the entire song everybody is dancing. अक्षय खन्ना randomly मुझे तुझ में बड़ी दिलचस्पी है. सब अपना मस्त गाना गा रहे हैं. तेरी याद तो तेरी, और बीच में से अक्षय खन्ना प्रकट होता है like मुझे तुझ आंखों में देख के मुझे तुझ में बड़ी दिलचस्पी
Guys,
है.
Upen Patel
One,
for
the best
this
actor.
movie won the IFA award for best debut male.
Nice.
Zee Cine award for best debut male.
Wow, dude.
Global Indian Film Award for best debut actor.
Bro, because that song of him dancing to Aashiki mein
Sambhavna
went
se-
so viral. Went so viral. It's still iconic. Still iconic.
Yeah, so even though this is not like a Shahid movie, it's still time pass.
I was
और फिर तभी इसने मेरी ये दो आंखें और मेरे ये दो पैर देंगे.
in my absent-mindedness right now, instead of writing 36 Chinatown good, I wrote Akshay Khanna in good. 36 Chinatown, sorry.
Okay, the next movie is a movie we briefly mentioned. I briefly mentioned in my hot take in the hot take episode. Chup Chup Ke.
Bro,
Good.
No,
I'll
mediocre.
kill both of you. Hey, nahi. Hey,
What?
good.
Mediocre.
Bro,
Mediocre.
Chup Chup Ke is funny. Chup Chup Ke is good.
Very mediocre for me.
No,
And Shahid
good.
is good in the movie.
Shahid is very good.
All
in the
right.
Even though the voice is not his when he's playing
Yeah.
deaf and mute.
Yeah.
But
Okay, if you guys want to put it
हाँ,
good,
we both
I
are
think-
saying good.
Bro,
But
good.
I would say
110%.
जो मेरा hot take था कि प्रियदर्शन की मूवी mediocre थी.
गुड है भाई, एकदम ही
But
good
I
है.
would say good,
मालिक
yeah.
इतना खर्चा हो गया है तो एक चिप्स ले ही लेते हैं.
Wait, your hot take was it's mediocre.
My
But
hot
you're saying
take was
good.
Priyadarshan movies are not as funny as you remember.
But then you are
the
comparing
funny-
it with Feri Hera
Correct,
Feri and
yeah.
Hera Feri, no?
But as like this is way funnier than Deewane Hue Pagal.
Not
Yeah. Yes.
slightest.
Yes.
Not even slightest,
Oh,
dude.
bro, please.
What
Not
is
at all.
happening of us? Dude, the
Why, when Sheetal comes out to wrestle, वो Sheetal नहीं आ जाती wrestle करने के लिए.
bro, every week I think, oh, now I've figured Abbas out. Okay, I
Yeah,
understand
bro,
how
I'm
his brain
an
works.
enigma.
Bro,
Yeah, dude.
अब्बास
Nothing, dude.
दिल में आता है समझ
समझ
में
में
नहीं.
नहीं. For sure. For sure.
Bro, Ratnagiri. So funny.
रत्ना
गिरी.
इधर
Okay, next movie, same year 2006.
अबे इतना पिक्चर करने के बाद भी स्टार नहीं है क्या?
One of the most sanskari
ये
movies
nepotism
of
के
all,
फायदे.
sanskari movies of all time.
विवाह.
चल लीजिए.
Oh
Yes.
God.
Film called Vivaah.
and that's exactly what she did. वो जल गई.
Wow.
Yeah, bro.
Snails on fire, on water today. Mediocre?
Mediocre,
Very
bro.
mediocre.
Yeah.
It's like, see, I know Viva has a lot of fans. I am not one of them, for sure.
Okay, moving on. 2007. We are in 2007 now. Full and Final.
Oh, ये वही है ना?
Yeah,
ये तो
The diamond, yeah.
so this is trash actually. The film is trash.
Yeah, we are actually in the Himesh peak era. So
हाँ,
36
it's just that
Chinatown.
songs
Full
are so
and
fucking
Final.
iconic.
Yeah. So,
इसके अंदर भी एक मेटा जोक है.
I don't mind. क्या था?
एंड में सनी देओल इज फाइटिंग फॉर हिज लाइफ एंड दे आर प्लानिंग कि भाई सनी देओल मर जाएगा और उससे हमें पैसे आ जाएंगे, बेट कर लेंगे, कुछ ऐसा प्लॉट चल रहा है, ठीक है. एंड एंड में दिस गाय शाहिद कपूर का बड़ा भाई है सनी देओल. शाहिद कपूर को पता चलता है दैट देव एलिमिनेटेड द थ्रेट जिसकी वजह से सनी देओल को हारना पड़ता ये फाइट. तो वो एंड में नीचे शाहिद कपूर बोलता है बता दो उसको चला दे अपना 2.5 किलो का हाथ, और फिर सनी देओल ऊपर से मुक्का मारता है और वो नीचे गिर जाता है.
By the way, bro, the star cast of this movie
Is insane.
Mike Tyson has done a special appearance.
What do you
Okay, yes. Starring
Mike Tyson has a 100% flop rate
He was
in
the
Bollywood.
Hangover,
In Bollywood.
yeah.
लाइगर
Liger, that's what.
Sunny Deol, Shahid Kapoor, Vivek Oberoi, Samira Reddy, Aisha Takya, Sharmila Tagore, Jackie Shroff, Om
Bye,
Puri, Paresh Rawal, Johnny
That's
Lever,
an ensemble
Chunky
cast.
Pandey, Arbaz Khan, and Gulshan Grover.
Bro,
Yeah.
it's Snatch. No, so many characters to cast.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
So where are we putting this? Full and final?
Yeah, bro,
Trash,
trash.
Trash. Okay, cool. Okay, next.
But bro, the diamond is so fucking beautiful and fake. Love it.
Yeah.
Next.
Have you guys seen a movie called Waqt Hamara Hai? Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty back in the day.
I've heard about
Have you
it.
heard,
I've heard
of
about
the
it, yeah.
Chikara? Chikara is the villain's name. Chikara, बहुत खुश होंगे.
नहीं,
There is the main plot device of the movie is like this diamond looking device. It's called Krypton bomb.
Of course.
Wow.
They didn't even try.
It's crazy, dude. It's supposed to be a nuclear device that our heroes Akshay Kumar and Sunil Shetty roam around with in their bag. It's just nuclear. It's like a nuclear radioactive device.
उसके इसमें फुल एंड फाइनल में जो डायमंड होता है भाई, इट्स रॉयल ब्लू, ऐसा डीप ब्लू, और वो
Sapphire.
हाँ नहीं होता तो डायमंड ही है वो.
Or blue diamonds are called sapphires, no? Blue
No bro,
precious
sapphires
gemstones.
is a different like gemstone.
Yeah.
So
I think
diamonds are not sapphires.
Diamonds are not supposed to have color then, dude. That's a bad.
Bro,
very bad
diamonds, pink diamond, red diamond. Are you क्या?
Diamonds are not supposed to have. Aren't supposed
Yeah,
to be.
I've never seen a red diamond.
Dude, I think red
Except
diamond-
for in movies.
Red stones are called
Rubies.
rubies,
No,
gemstones.
Sapphires.
No. There are pink diamonds, there are yellow diamonds, there are white diamonds, there are blue
पर
diamonds.
जमीन से
I
तो
think you're
colorless
naming different
निकलता
books or something.
है। ना, जमीन से तो कलरलेस निकलता है ना हीरा।
अरे नहीं दोस्तों,
Look
भाई,
this up,
जमीन से
please.
तो कलरलेस निकलता है।
नहीं. सो जिस तरीके की रेज और जिस तरीके की वो इनकी
Treatment.
नहीं इनके अंदर
Processing.
वो भी तो होती है ना यार, क्या कहते हैं
Carbon,
उनको,
light.
जिस तरीके से लोग लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं, जो इनकी डेंसिटीज होती हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग इनके कलर्स भी
होगा
होते
भाई,
हैं.
मैंने
भाई पिंक
Okay.
डायमंड इज वन ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट डायमंड्स. रेड डायमंड इज एक्चुअली, आई थिंक रेड डायमंड इज द रेयरेस्ट डायमंड इन वो राउंड शेप. ऐसे करके बहुत सारे डायमंड्स होते हैं अलग अलग कलर के.
Okay, let us know, yeah. if
तो
you
उसके
know.
अंदर ब्लू कलर का डायमंड होता है, एंड जैसे ही वो उसको बैग से निकालते हैं ना भाई, सबके चेहरे ऐसा
हो
मतलब
जाते हैं।
लाइट उसके अंदर से ऐसे दिखाते हैं जैसे उसके अंदर बकायदा एलईडी फिट करी गई है.
वो की हो गया.
Okay, 2007, the second movie Shahid did was a big one, Jab We Met.
Bro, masterpiece.
I would also say masterpiece.
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 Yeah.
Cool. Is this the
100%.
first masterpiece?
अब तुम लोग बोल रहे थे masterpiece है ही नहीं.
Famously, Kareena didn't want to do this film.
Yeah.
Yeah, famously they also broke up during the movie. During
Yes.
the filming of the
Right after the film.
No,
But
during
then
the film-
what if someone makes the argument this is more a Kareena movie than a Shahid movie?
Dude, they had already broken up by the final kiss came about. They had already broken up.
Oh.
Yeah. They broke up during the filming of this because Tashan and this were being filmed.
Yeah.
Tashan
So Kareena famously says na कि भाई she was not very keen on doing this.
Correct.
She was very much focused on achieving the zero figure
Yeah,
that she was,
size, yeah.
and it was like
Because-
100 CR multi-starrer
Yeah.
film with Yash Raj, and she was like कि ये तो first time, second time director है इम्तियाज.
Yeah, exactly.
मेरे को इसके साथ काम नहीं करना.
She thought Tashan was going to be the much bigger hit.
Bigger hit,
And
the
gonna
biggest
change her
film of
career.
her career.
Yeah.
And
And look how things
and she
worked out,
did.
yeah.
जब we met just because Shahid was requesting her कि भाई कर ले, अच्छी opportunity है, अच्छी script है. तो करीना ने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला कि I did जब we met for personal reasons and I did Tashan for professional reasons. And जब eventually like as we have it, अक्षय कुमार मीम हो गया,
हाँ,
वो
शादी
मेरी
उधर हो गई
हाँ
और हेटी
हेटी हो गई.
Yep.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट मूवी 2008 इज किस्मत कनेक्शन. Have either of you seen it?
किस्मत का कनेक्शन हो जाए.
Again, bro, apart from the
Vishal
song,
Malhotra's in this also.
apart from the song, there's nothing good about this movie.
Vidya Balan, have you
There's
seen
a
it?
fake
You've seen
Bill
it?
seen the
Gates.
movie.
Yeah, I've seen it in the
Quite a few
theater.
times. Yeah.
Fake Bill Gates.
Bakhuda,
I would put it in trash.
Trash तो नहीं यार.
Trash यार बहुत गंदी पिक्चर है.
चलो हाँ मतलब ऐसे I don't have very strong feelings about the film.
Directed by Aziz Mirza, who made Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman and Yes Boss. But this
Bro,
movie is
the
terrible.
thing is, no, like I know it is a bad movie.
Like I don't hate the film though.
Yeah, but the thing is, exactly, I don't hate the film because the songs are really good.
End
तो
का
bad
plot
में
twist,
डाल दो.
end
is
का
very
plot twist भी
bad
अच्छा लगा
तो
था
Plot is
मेरे को.
very
Bad तो है ही नहीं ना हमारे पास.
trash ही
Mediocre
है.
के बाद trash है.
Trash है.
ठीक है,
नहीं, trash is
mediocre
too
में डाल
strong a
दो.
word for. That's it. अगर bad होता ना, this would be bad.
हाँ तो this would have
ये
been
trash में नहीं
bad.
डालना.
Try वो दिल टूट जाएगा.
Yeah,
ठीक है, डाल दो. उसमें क्या कहते हैं, mediocre में.
किस्मत connection KK.
किस्मत का connection.
Okay, now we move on to 2009. This is the year my personal favorite Shahid movie comes out. It's Kamine by Vishal Bardwaj.
Masterpiece.
I would
bro.
put it in masterpiece.
Masterpiece.
तूने देखी अब
Masterpiece.
तक?
Yeah.
देख ली?
Yeah.
Last time this movie came out,
हाँ
you hadn't
मैंने नहीं
seen
देखी
it.
थी, मैंने देख ली. Masterpiece.
Kamine is excellent.
Bro,
Masterpiece.
masterpiece, bro.
And very soon the collaboration will happen again. O Romeo, Vishal
Yes.
Bardwaj and Shahid. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, hopefully because of that SEO, this episode as well. That's the aim.
Anything else you want to say about Kamine?
Bro, it's
Excellent.
a very good film out and out.
Yeah,
Out and out. I don't have a single
First
bad thing.
Fahid.
First
From
Fahid.
Joseph Wahid.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And same year.
By the way, before, I would say before Kamine came about, right?
Yeah.
We didn't have the muscular Shahid
that's fine.
Mandy look also.
That
by
too,
the
yeah,
way.
for sure, correct. So, Jab We Met, I think, for me, changed my perception of what Shahid Kapoor can do because he was really good. I really changed my
Yeah.
perception. And then Kamine, I think, solidified my perception of him being a fantastic actor.
Yeah.
And that perception for me has
Has
stuck throughout.
stayed. Has stayed. हाँ मतलब मेरे लिए कमीने तो मैंने बहुत recently देखी है.
Oh, अच्छा.
I think
saw it in
मेरे
theaters. You also?
Yeah.
I think मेरे लिए शाहिद कपूर का
Bro,
I think it was Jab We Met only for
जब
me.
ढंटाना गाना निकला तेरे को हाइप नहीं बनी कि मूवी जाके देखूं इतना हिट हुआ था
यार
गाना?
what year is it? 2007 right?
2007.
हाँ तो उस टाइम पे यार मैं क्या
2009 actually.
मैं 11 साल का था 12 साल का
Okay,
तो
तेरे को
उसमें
क्या ही पता,
लाइक उस
हाँ।
टाइम पे लाइक द ओनली
हाँ,
मतलब
correct.
हम लोग मूवी मम्मा पापा के साथ अगर जा रहा हूँ तो ओम शांति ओम टाइप पिक्चरें जा रहा था देखने
He
विच
was
आर लाइक
playing with his Krish action figure.
happy films and all actually
Happy
Krish
films.
Is that what he calls his little guy?
Okay, moving on. Next movie. A movie he did with Rani Mukherjee called Dil Bole Harippa. Absolute
bro,
trash,
absolute
bro.
trash. I'll tell you a very funny story, dude.
This is She's the Man, by the way.
I'll tell you a very funny story. हम लोग डिनर कर रहे थे एक रेस्टोरेंट में, ठीक है, एंड मतलब वो नहीं होता कि रेस्टोरेंट बंद होने वाला होता है तो आप आखिरी 1-2 टेबल होते हो.
Correct.
तो मैं बैठा हुआ था और हमारे एकदम साइड पे एक और टेबल फैमिली थी और पूरा रेस्टोरेंट खाली बंद ही होने वाला था. तो अब मैं अगेन एज ए सेट 12-13 साल का बच्चा, मैं जिद कर रहा हूँ वापस से दिल बड़े पे देखने क्योंकि क्रिकेट पे है फिल्म, ठीक है. सो आई एम लाइक मुझे क्रिकेट के ऊपर फिल्म देखनी है.
Oh, don't tell me some uncle from the side.
Bro,
What do you say?
an uncle from the side said,
बेटा पागल है."
मत देखना, बहुत खराब फिल्म है, हम कल देख कर आए हैं और हम सर पकड़ के बैठे हुए हैं कि हम क्या पिक्चर देख कर आए
It's because that uncle, that movie could have doubled its box office collection.
एंड माय डैड लिटरली इज लाइक कि देख बेटा, अब तो वो भी कह रहे हैं, हमने उनसे
भाई,
पूछा भी नहीं था,
भाई।
तब भी वो बता रहे हैं खराब पिक्चर है मत देख.
फिर क्या होता है?
हाँ,
तेरा
नहीं
mood
नहीं देखी और रह गए हम लोग. नहीं, मतलब-
भाई बड़ा
हाँ,
किया
but
uncle
good.
ने तेरा.
Very good.
बचा लिया uncle
बचा
ने.
लिया अंकल ने.
Okay, 2010. Film called Chance Pe Dance.
ये नहीं देखी भाई मैंने.
ओ, वो
जिनीला
गाना-
डिसूजा
जिनीला
ना?
मीका का
D'Souza.
वो गाना किसका है? कि दुनिया
इसी का है, दिल बोला लिप्पा का है. फिगर करें फुकरे टेंशन
मैंने भी नहीं देखी है Chance Pe Dance. तूने देखी है?
नहीं.
नहीं
Okay,
ब्रो.
then
इसमें
this
चांस
goes
पे
to-
डांस पे आई थिंक इट वाज मार्केटेड एज शाहिद कपूर. इसमें शाहिद कपूर आई थिंक डांसर बनाया एंड ही इज लाइक अपनी डांसर की ड्रीम पूरी करता है समथिंग अलोंग दोस लाइंस. तो थोड़ा उस पर भी इन्होंने मार्केट किया था कि शाहिद का डांसिंग का तो डंका बोल ही रहा था, कि he's
Is Jalila in the movie, right?
yeah Jalila
Yeah.
is
Is Jalila as good a dancer? I
अब
didn't.
देखी नहीं है यार, मालूम नहीं मेरे को.
Okay.
India Games also released a dance mobile video game based on this film.
हाँ, चांस पे डांस को इन्होंने पूरा डांसिंग पे ही इन्होंने पूरा मार्केट किया था.
Oh, like Dance Revolution. So like Chance Pe Dance Revolution or whatever.
Bro, इसके विकिपीडिया पेज पे वो रिसेप्शन वाला सेगमेंट ही नहीं है, like how this film was received.
Nobody saw it. Dude. They
People
don't-
were like,
even they don't know how
हमें
to
हमें
say
चाहिए
it.
ये इस दिवाली की सोन पापड़ी है.
Oh, bro, it was made on a budget of 29 crore. It only earned 16 crores.
Yeah.
Damn bro.
Reception तो जब भी मेट में अच्छा था. Hotel decent का.
Okay, moving on to 2000. Staying in 2010, a film called Pathshala.
Oh, you know,
beautiful
bro,
message though.
good message, bad movie. Great 2 songs. One is बेकरार
Lucky Ali.
ये नहीं सुना मैंने गाना. इसका मुझे वो वाला गाना याद है जो जाना तेरी याद आती है
Yeah.
क्यों तूने दिल तोड़ा.
Correct.
क्यों तूने
इस फिल्म का गाना है.
ए खुदा.
ए खुदा. Yeah, correct.
ये अपना शाहिद कपूर टेबल पे बैठ के डेस्क पे पैर रख के गिटार पे गा रहा है. इसमें भी है ना आयशा टाकिया.
हाँ, इसमें भी
Yeah.
आयशा.
अरे भाई आयशा टाकिया को छोड़ दे भाई.
Should I put in mediocre or trash? Because it's not exactly trash, but it's
मीडियोकर
not
डाल
exactly-
सकते हो. दिस इज नॉट लाइक गुड सब्जेक्ट, डिसेंट एक्टिंग में एवरीबॉडी लाइक नॉट अ
मैंने
ट्रैश
फिल्म तो देखी नहीं है, बट पोस्टर देख के स्वीट फिल्म ही लग रही है.
स्वीट
बच्चों
बहुत
के
स्वीट
साथ
फिल्म है.
खेल रहे
बच्चों
हैं.
Yeah, बच्चों के
गुड
लिए
गुड
good
मैसेज
message. Yeah.
कि बच्चों और टीचर्स करप्शन.
Nana Partekar plays like a strict teacher.
नाना पाटेकर plays the strict principal.
Yeah.
Okay, 2010, multi-starrer movie he did called Badmaash Company.
Bro,
Fun.
I love it.
Yeah, very fun.
I watched it like fucking
Yeah.
6 days ago.
I would say
I absolutely love it.
Okay.
Good to great for me.
Great.
Great तो नहीं है.
मतलब
Great तो
fun,
नहीं है.
Very fun, no, but
very fun. No
Yeah, that's
doubt
what I'm
about it.
saying.
Very fun. And Shahid Kapoor also was very good in the film.
So,
famously, all of them had
Bro.
very sour relationships with each other.
really?
Oh, yeah. Nobody was
wouldn't you
happy.
call this a better movie than 36 Chinatown?
Oh, of course.
36 Chinatown was a good man.
But we put it there, it's so bad that it's good.
The reason for that is so bad it's good.
But then I think it's better than Fida. Fida also we put in good. It's better than Dil Mange More. Dil Mange More also we put in good.
But
Chuk Chuk
it's-
also we
भाई
put in
वो
good.
सब मूवीज ऐसी ना हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे कि वो अच्छी होंगी, पर वो अच्छी निकल गई. This is given the star cast and everything. You
What
expect
star
it to be.
cast? Only Shahid and
Bro, Shahid, Anushka, Mayank Chang, Veer Das. Mayank Chang and Veer
इनका
Das are
इनका
also-
one of the
But
favorite.
Mayank Chang and Veer Das were not stars at the time.
They're not
dude.
stars, but they were well known in their field.
Bro, Veer wasn't well known at all by this point. Not at all. He was just there.
2010, bro.
Veer is still trying to solidify himself. Happy Pachaya, bro.
By the way, Mayank Chang is also in Happy Patel.
Is he? What is he?
Yeah,
What is
he
he?
comes in the climax. Yeah.
Oh, I don't remember. Okay.
Okay, you had tuned out. तो बदमाश कंपनी कहाँ डाल रहे हैं?
Dude.
Famously, इनका एक interview था where all of them had a fight on air.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Like actual fight.
No, arguments. Where
Are you sure it wasn't scripted?
Wait, all 4 of the cast members?
Anushka, Chang, and Shahid.
Oh, and Veer was just chilling on the side.
Probably. Like, I remember that clip where Shahid is saying something to Chang and Anushka is trying to, like,
Rebuttal.
and then she's like, but who's talking to you, na, Anushka? She's like, just shut up, yaar, Shahid. Just shut up. Like, I think there's this one clip. If we can find it, we'll put it here.
बड़ी पिक्चरें करेगा तो चाहेंगे इस तरह बोलता रहेगा तो बहुत पिक्चरें करेगा तो शाबाश.
नहीं करनी ना फिर मुझे.
ओह,
नहीं करेंगे कुछ और.
ये पिक्चर की रिलीज के बाद ही बोल देता. इतना इंटरेस्ट क्यों दिखा रहा है?
आपने तो कास्ट नहीं किया है ना.
आपके बीच में कूद रही है वैसे 2 लोगों के बीच के कॉन्वर्सेशन.
जनरलाइज किया ना 3 लोगों की ये लोग.
फिलहाल तो मैं चाइनीज से बात कर रहा था. मैं आपसे बात ही नहीं कर रहा था. बेकार में आप क्यों
हाँ तो
कूदी
ठीक है,
मारे?
shut up.
वैसे आपकी पुरानी आदत है पर
Okay.
I remember there's a joke about Anushka's boobs in this movie.
Why do you remember these things?
Because they are enough. Because in 2010 it was very risky to make a joke about boobs.
Risque.
Yeah.
Where is Mayank Chang?
No, Veer
Veer says
Das.
something about and these talk and then she covers her boobs and she's
No.
these
So,
don't. They don't.
no. So he, क्योंकि मैंने अभी
Yes,
देखी है.
please.
क्योंकि मैंने अभी देखी है 6 दिन पहले. तो he is basically trying to. So Veer Das इसके अंदर वो.
They're
बना
on a
है.
flight.
हाँ. तो वो बहुत ही मतलब काम वासना से भरा हुआ इंसान बना है इसके अंदर. ठीक है. तो वो देखता है कि हमारे क्रू में एक लड़की भी है, अनुष्का है वो. तो वो उसको क्रॉस करके बैठती है एंड वो कोशिश करता है कि वो उसको क्रॉस करे ताकि तो वो जैसे ही बैठने लगती है वो फटाफट भाग के इधर जाता है कि मैं ये मेरे से क्रॉस करेगी, बट तब तक वहाँ शायद बैठ चुका होता है, फिर तब तक वो घूम के फटाफट दूसरी तरफ जाता है, बट तब तक अनुष्का उस जगह क्रॉस करके बैठ चुकी होती है. एनीवे, तो ही इज बेसिकली टॉकिंग टू हर एंड ही इज आस्किंग कि आप किधर से हैं, एंड व्हाइल ही इज टॉकिंग टू हर ही इज लुकिंग एट हर चेस्ट. यस, तो दैट इज व्हेन शी सेज कि ये बात नहीं करते, और वो चद्दर ऊपर कर लेती है.
Great modal.
I would have. But what? Good or great?
Bro, okay,
Fine,
if you want
put
to
it
put
in
it
good,
in
yeah.
great, अच्छा, oh,
Put in great?
Great तो नहीं
हाँ,
है यार.
great तो नहीं है वैसे,
किसी भी नजरिए से.
but
ठीक है.
Jazz Mama played by Pawan Malhotra.
Also, a very unique scam they're running in this movie.
Very unique
the
scam.
shoe thing. right?
Yes.
Movie directed by Archana Puran Singh's husband, by the way, Parmeet Sethi.
Yeah,
What
Parmeet
are you
Sethi.
saying?
Yes,
Brahma's
yes,
company?
yes.
Yeah.
उसका debut है ना ये?
As a director, हाँ.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What else has he
Okay.
done as a director? Yeah?
I don't know. You want me to go through his film?
No, not at all.
That's a different episode.
Okay. Next movie he does again with Kareena Kapoor called Milenge.
Oh,
Oh,
not good.
this movie was
Not
famously
good.
in limbo for like years and released much later.
Yeah, much later. Yes.
It was supposed to have released like some 5 years prior or something.
हाँ, मतलब दोनों के चेहरे
very good.
young हैं.
Exactly.
It's basically it's also a rip-off of this one
Serendipity. It's an English movie
हाँ
called
हाँ Serendipity. I think मुझे
Yeah.
नाम नहीं याद, but it's basically कि अगर किस्मत में लिखा हुआ तो हम फिर से मिलेंगे.
But bro, मैंने देखी नहीं. तुमने देखी?
मिलेंगे.
हाँ, so मैंने देखी है. मतलब it's not good. It's not
तो
good.
trash.
I think
हाँ.
it's famously bad.
Yeah, it's
bad.
famously
Yeah.
bad. इसके अंदर वो like I think the first meeting is कि ये लोग आपस में मिलते हैं and शायद is like कि हाँ like you know we should continue this, and she goes
Yeah.
कि अगर हमारा किस्मत में मिलना लिखा हुआ तो हम दोनों अलग अलग लिफ्ट में जाके भी सेम ही फ्लोर पे बटन दबाएंगे और सेम ही फ्लोर पे निकलेंगे.
But same floor नहीं निकलता. Oh, this
वो-
is the
वो दोनों-
John Cusack movie with
Yeah,
Kate
Serendipity.
Beckinsale. Kate Beckinsale, right?
Meg Ryan, right? Meg Ryan and John Cusack.
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
वो दबाते सेम ही बटन है, बट किसी एक रीजन की वजह से शायद की लिफ्ट जो है वो दूसरे फ्लोर पे चली जाती है पहले.
Oh,
and
या
वो-
फिर I think someone has stopped it or
हाँ,
something.
कुछ ऐसा हो
Yeah,
जाता है
something.
उसके अंदर, जिस वजह से
Okay.
फिर वो किताब पे साइन करती है, नोट वोट सब कुछ ये सब.
2011 he acts in a movie directed by his father called Mausam.
Oh,
I've
This is
not seen
Sonam
it again.
Kapoor and Shahid.
oh, it's a drag. the
Yeah, I've
film.
heard that the intention is good of this film, but
Yeah,
the
but
execution
it's
is
a drag.
pretty bad.
So-
Like I watched it once and I was like, भाई नहीं हो पा रहा.
तो
मुझसे.
midi और
नहीं, trash.
trash. Okay, okay.
Trash.
I'm going based on what you're saying, man, because
Yeah,
I have
yeah,
not seen
trash.
this movie.
इसका भी गाना अच्छा है वो वाला, लेकिन
मैं रब्बा में तो मर गया होए.
वो भी है, और एक
मुझे
और गाना है यार,
कर
देसी
Desi Daru.
नहीं देखना गाने कौन से हैं इसके.
Dance was
Music by Pritam, by the way. And tracks are आग लगे उस आग को.
नहीं ये
एक तू ही मल्लो माली पूरे से जरा सा कम है रब्बा में तो मर गया हुए
yeah.
सज धज के
हाँ, सज
सज
धज
धज
के
के
टशन में रहना है,
सज धज के.
Sorry, so where are we putting Mausam in mediocre?
Trash.
Oh, I didn't know.
Trash.
I didn't know this song was from from Awesome.
Yeah, trash.
ये पंकज कपूर की मूवी यार ट्रैश तो नहीं होगी
यार मतलब
राजीव मसन gave this 2 out of 5
सी ट्रैश.
तो trash ही है फिर.
mediocre है
लव
Trash
हाउ
would have
अपने
been
तरन
1.
आदर्श को इंपॉर्टेंस ना देके राजीव मसन को
अब
इंपॉर्टेंस
राजीव
दिया.
मसन-
Okay, चलो ठीक है moving on. In 2012 he does a movie called तेरी मेरी कहानी with Priyanka Chopra
I'm not
where
seeing
they
it, yeah.
both play triple roles
Huh?
and it's set in 3 time periods.
What? Have you
तूने
seen
देखी
this?
है
तूने देखी?
in 1910 1960s and 2012
I guess not seen.
not seen and
इसका भी एक बहुत फेमस गाना है डूड.
अच्छा
Okay.
मुख्तसर
मुख्तसर
मेरे गया देख जहाँ मुख्तसर
हाँ.
गया
हाँ, मुख्तसर पहला ही
Bro,
गाना निकला.
मैं
शुक्र
कुछ
है.
और गा रहा हूँ.
नहीं,
On
मुख्तसर यही
purpose, but I was singing the tune of तुम मिले.
वैसा ही है.
क्या कर रहा है?
वैसा ही है.
क्या कर रहा है?
अच्छा तो अगर आपने देखी है तेरी मेरी कहानी so please tell us in the comments what do you think of the movie.
Yeah.
Then in 2013
And tell us what the problem is in your life that you're watching तेरी मेरी कहानी.
and 2013 it has a movie called Phata Poster Nikla
Oh,
Hero
bro. Love it.
with directed by Rajkumar Santoshi.
I think good.
So bad that what?
I think good. Because it's like one of those Rajkumar Santoshi time pass movies like
हाँ,
Phata
मतलब
Poster,
इसके
like
अंदर भी इसके
Ajab
अंदर
Prem.
वैसे है. आपने देखी है? नहीं देखी आपने? So it's quite literally what अजब नहीं गजब कहानी could have been with Shahid Kapoor.
Yeah,
It's literally
basically
that.
that
Where
only, yeah.
Shahid Kapoor wants to become like a film actor, and इसके अंदर सलमान का कैमियो है by the way.
अच्छा
And
तो
इसके
विवाह में भी
अंदाज
था।
अपना 2 की रीडिंग के लिए जा रहा है,
अंदाज अपना 2 के ले जा रहा है.
रीडिंग के लिए. हाँ,
और इसके अंदर डायलॉग है ये शाहिद कपूर इसमें बैठा है, हॉस्पिटल में बैठा है, एंड नर्स आती है एंड चीज लाइक कि डॉक्टर भी बिजी है, डॉक्टर विनोद खन्ना का जो है
हाँ, ये सीन देखा मैंने,
खन्ना डॉक्टर बन गए.
ये रील
Bro,
देखा
again,
मैंने।
fantastic album.
हाँ,
तू मेरे
okay.
अगल बगल है.
एंड वो तो रंग
शरबतों
शरबतों
का
Oh,
मैंने
सुन का गाना है।
लगा
Where are we putting it good?
I think good.
ठीक है, डाल दो गुड डाल दो यार.
No, not many trash and masterpieces. He's like very much in the middle
Yeah,
range.
that's what Saif Ali Khan, bro. That's what I'm saying.
Apparently, he has
Okay.
nothing great up to launch. He's a masterpiece.
Wait for Heather, guys.
You thought there'll be no masterpieces.
Yeah,
man.
dude.
Yeah.
Anyway, so 2013 he also does R for Rajkumar.
Nah,
Or Rajkumar is yeah, mediocre.
Trash, no,
Trash.
trash.
I'm fine with trash.
Directed by Prabhu Deva.
इसका वो गाना है ना वो साड़ी के फॉल सा
ये भी और अब करूंगा तेरे साथ
गंदी बात गंदी 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 गंदी
इससे
गंदी बात.
प्रूवर के गाने बड़े अच्छे होते हैं
हाँ.
शाहिद के पिक्चरों
गाने
के।
सारे बैंगर
Because
बनाता है भाई.
डांस करेगा ना भाई.
Correct.
अरे भाई, by the way, for R Rajkumar, I had gone for the taping of the Kapil Sharma show back when it was on Sony.
What are you saying?
For the promotion of R Rajkumar, the guests on that episode were Shahid, Sonakshi, Sonu
Prabhudeva.
Sood, and Prabhudeva.
How is it? वो कैसा, वो आपको ऊपर बताते हैं, हंसना है अब यहाँ पे.
Bro, बहुत.
Of course,
या
ना?
स्टार्टिंग में बोलते हैं कि देखो आपके वो ऊपर देख रहे हो,
वहाँ
वहाँ
laugh
पे
लिखा
माइक्रोफोन
हुआ
है.
आएगा.
हाँ,
हाँ.
आपको अगर इफ यू वांट टू बी हर्ड इन द एपिसोड यू हैव टू लाफ एक्स्ट्रा लाउड. जो आपको हंसी आ रही है, अगर 5 नंबर की हंसी है, आप 10 नंबर दिखा दो.
मस्त मस्त.
हाँ, पर वो तो लाइव शो
आपको सवाल पूछने मिला था.
नहीं मुझे नहीं.
How do they choose the
कपिल,
people
क्या
who?
मैं आपके साथ डांस कर सकता हूँ?
क्या किसी के पास ऑलरेडी कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं, people रेज देयर हैंड्स and then you can
हाँ.
ask and then they would
Give us
pre-screen the
give
questions and give you
scripted
checks
also. Yeah, for sure.
as to what the question is.
Fair. Okay.
Cool. 2014, the big one, Haider.
Bro, great.
Yeah, all right, I get it.
Great.
So
For
you
me,
would say
it's
Haider
good.
is not as good as Kamine because Kamine is a masterpiece.
No.
Okay.
Haider is
I
great.
agree.
I think Haider is good.
तू तो बोल रहा है कि हाँ तेरे तो
Yeah.
hot take ही था.
Heather is
Haider
great.
was not great.
Heather is
So then,
great.
okay, we have our first great.
भाई एक सेकंड, विशाल भारद्वाज मास्टरपीस ग्रेट. ये ओरोमी में हग ना दे भाई.
I hope not.
ओ ब्रो, ओ ब्रो.
There's one more VB collaboration in between. We'll come to it.
Bro, there is
अक्सर ये फिल्म भूल जाते
there is
हैं
a point to be made about how directors of old who've been working in the industry for like 20 or so years, right now they are not having they
A
haven't
very
found
good
a groove
run.
right
Yeah,
now.
a very good run. हाँ.
Yeah, so hopefully this is like Romeo is like could be a break or make or break
Yeah.
could be for Vishal Bhardwaj at this point. Hopefully it's very good. I'm very excited about it.
2015 he does Shandar.
Trashiest of the trashiest.
Trashiest of the trash films. Yes.
सिर्फ again one Gana
Who
Gulabo.
is produced by Anurag Kashyap? What the fuck? Anurag
Shandar
Kashyap
is?
and- yeah.
भाई.
First the Phantom की movie थी.
भाई.
Anurag Kashyap.
Anurag Kashyap really is running on Gangs of Wasseypur, dude.
Okay, so trash.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, 2016.
Another movie which had Pankaj Kapoor and Shahid Kapoor in the
Do we have like strong reasons for not putting Heather in Masterpiece? What are your reasons?
I just don't like as compared to his other Shakespeare adaptations. I
Yeah.
prefer all of them more than Heather. Even though
That is
Heather is a
true.
very well made movie.
Heather is a very well
But I
made
can
film.
watch Omkara anytime. I can watch Makbul
Yeah,
anytime. I can watch Kamine anytime. Heather, I have to prepare
Yeah,
myself to
that's
watch.
true. 100%. Rewatchability is
Is
comparatively
a
low.
little, is a little
Very
hard
low. Yeah.
for that. Yeah.
But again, very good album though.
Yeah,
Very good
yes.
album. Very good performances.
Fair enough. Yeah, absolutely. I would agree.
ठीक है. Yeah.
Cool. Shandar is in trash. 2016, he does Udta Punjab.
Oh,
Bro.
great.
I would say mediocre. This
What?
Is my,
What?
Yeah, this is my
Great. I would say great.
hot take.
Bro, I
कि
think-
मेरे को उड़ता पंजाब इतनी पसंद नहीं आई.
Bro, I love Aruta. I think it's a
And I
lot of
thought,
it is very meticulously done. I think.
I thought, in fact, coming back to our initial statement that Shahid has not given a bad performance, I think this performance is bordering on bad. He's
No, bro.
he's overacting the fuck out of
bro.
his character.
Not at
No,
all.
not
bro.
overacting.
Not
I
at
would
all.
not call that
Not
overacting
at
at all.
all. I think all the performances in the film were very good. Very good.
Dude, I want to put this in great.
Same.
But
Same.
You're
Great.
saying it's
I'm
mediocre.
saying it's mediocre.
Bro, great.
So for it ends up in good or what?
No, bro, great.
Yeah.
Two people are saying great.
But I'm saying mediocre.
Fuck it,
I'm
masterpiece.
I'm
Great में डाल इसको.
I'm going 2 rungs below.
Bro, it should be in great.
Bro, this should be in great.
Also, dude,
bro.
you
What
also
are
have
you
to see the
saying?
impact it had. It earned.
Bro, impact
it
की
one of
बात
its highest
I would,
grossers, firstly.
that's what I'm saying. Udta Punjab, I was very hyped to watch it because I'm like, oh, they don't want to release this movie. Everybody's against it. I went with such high expectations. By interval, it all came crashing.
भाई
And I'm
आप क्या like
bro,
that one
what
scene
the
जब वो
hell?
जेल में उन 2 बच्चों से बात करता है.
This is also R. Baki, right?
No, this is Abhishek Chaubey.
This is the one who directed Delhi Belly? Sorry, Delhi 6.
No, that's Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra who did Rang De Basanti.
okay.
This is the guy who did Son Chidiya.
भाई उस सीन में जो जेल वाले सीन में जब वो दोनों बच्चे बताते हैं कि माँ पैसे नहीं दे रही थी ड्रग्स के लिए और हमने उनको मार दिया और उसकी वजह से हम यहाँ पर हैं, वो एक्सप्रेशन जो शाहिद का क्रम्बलिंग एक्सप्रेशन है, रियलाइजिंग कि व्हाट द फक हैव आई डन टू दिस जनरेशन because all of them look up to me and because of me probably they are
Bro,
that
if you think
expression
of-
itself
Parts
is so
of it,
good.
parts of this movie work, but overall it just was
Bro,
too disjointed. for
Also, as a movie, more relevant than ever before because of how the Punjabi rap scene is right now.
yeah
It's all about guns and
crazy scenes हैं भाई.
Bitches and
मतलब
drugs, right?
at the fact that the entire industry came together,
Yeah.
like
To
Kapil
support
Sharma and all
Anurag,
these people
yeah.
literally tweeted saying कि भाई अगर आप लोग को ये लग रहा है कि ये फिल्म पंजाब को गलत लाइट में दिखा रही है तो आप लोग को पंजाब की रियलिटी ही नहीं पता है.
Yeah.
This is a much needed film.
Correct.
तो I think नहीं भाई ग्रेट से नीचे तो मतलब ही नहीं बनता इस फिल्म का.
I would say also, but Abbas,
It didn't work for me.
okay, I'm putting in great.
Okay, 2017 is the last Vishal Bhardwaj Shahid collaboration before Romeo. Rangoon. Have either of you seen
Oh
Rangoon?
no, dude.
I've seen Rangoon. It's a very good film. So I'd put it.
Is
in
it really?
good. Yeah, it's a very good.
I've
film.
always heard it's
I
very
don't know
mid.
why this movie does not get the
Yeah, dude.
appreciation it deserves.
Sonam Kapoor.
But bro,
No,
no.
Kangana.
Kangana and Saif.
and Kangana is fucking good in this movie.
Kangana, Saif and
Kangana,
Shahid,
Saif
right?
and
Shahid,
Shahid.
yeah.
And,
Famously, they came on Coffee with Karan for
Kavit
this,
Karan, yeah.
where she goes, "You are the thing of nepotism." What does she
Yeah,
say?
yeah.
Flag bearer.
Flag bearer of nepotism.
You are there, the flag bearer of nepotism.
I would
But yeah,
say you,
Rangoon-
Karan. I would
Rang-
say you.
Rangoon is between good and great, but I would say good.
Okay.
It falls short a little bit of great. By the way, जो कांगना ने रोल प्ले किया है इस फिल्म में वो एक असल हीरोइन से इंस्पायर्ड है of the 1930s. She was called Fearless Nadia.
Nice.
She used to do the action-packed roles in that movie. Anyway, so Rangoon for me is great, but
What is the plot about? It's about
so it's
a movie thing?
pre-independence India. This is in the 1940s.
Okay.
क्या कहते हैं? Kangana plays an actress.
Okay.
Saif plays a producer.
Okay.
And Shahid, I think, is an army person or a spy
Yeah.
or something like that. I don't exactly remember. But yeah,
Shahid and
it's-
Saif
it's,
don't share screen space, right?
They do. Yeah,
They do?
yeah,
Shahid
yeah.
and Kareena don't share screen space in Udta Punjab.
Yes, that is true. Yes, correct.
So it's an espionage movie, but pre-independent India. So very well done.
Okay.
Okay, so after Rangoon, we come to 2018, where he does Padmavat.
Oh, dude, I really like it.
I mean, yes, it's a very good movie.
I really like it. Like,
good to
I would. Great, for me. Like, I really like Padmavat.
Fair enough. Good
How
to it.
essential is Shahid to the movie?
Very
Very,
essential.
man.
Very essential.
Yeah, have
I would
you
say
never seen?
good.
Oh, you've seen it?
I've seen it only once though. I don't remember much of it.
I'm
मैंने
fine
इसको बहुत
to
बार
rate.
देखा actually. For some reason, for me, it holds like a very क्या कहते हैं उसको high spot at in the rewatchability scale. On the rewatchability scale.
So you would say great,
Great, yeah.
great, good. It's up to you.
Yeah, I would say I would like to put in good.
Hey, party pooper.
So Padmavat is good.
Good.
Bro,
yeah.
why though good? Where do you think it falls short, dude? It's
Dude, so it's a good movie, but the main reason I remember this movie is because of Ranveer.
But that, like, see, we're talking about the film. The film
And
is
even
great.
and even Shahid himself
Yeah, but it's a
says
Shahid episode.
that his performance could have been much better. And
Yeah,
if he got the opportunity, he would do it in a much more different way.
Okay, so Padmavat is good. Then we go on to same year 2018, Batti Gul Meter Chalu.
Oh,
Oh, I've seen it. Very good subject.
Yeah,
Very bad
interesting.
execution.
Shahid's acting is very good.
Shahid's acting is very good.
Very good.
Movie is not that
Mediocre. I haven't seen this.
mediocre.
Yeah, could have gone in trash also. I won't mind.
No,
it
बत्ती
that
को
much.
ठीक है. Mediocre ठीक है.
Okay.
Yeah.
2019, guys. Are you ready?
Oh,
Are you ready?
The
Kabir
legend of
Singh.
Wanga.
The rebirth of Shahid Kapoor.
Bro, you know what? I hate this movie. I know, like objectively, I know that Shahid Kapoor as an actor has done a very good job. I can see that. But as a movie, I despise this movie on so many levels. I don't like it. I think it gives me a headache every time I watch it.
Were you not like a big fan of Animal though?
Dude, that's what I'm saying. It's a different. I don't know
It's
what.
okay, man. You can dislike this and like
हम
Yeah.
Animal.
पूछ रहा था
But I
मतलब
did,
like कि
like-
क्या चीजें नहीं
So
पसंद
the-
आ रही
again, in
Because
Animal
ना
also,
पसंद आने वाली चीजें सेम ही हैं जो एनिमल में भी है
So see, in Animal also,
हाँ.
I always say कि Ranbir as an actor is phenomenal. In
Fair,
it,
I agree.
Okay, and the movie is okay. It's not like a masterpiece by any means. Animal, and very similar to this, to the point. But this as a movie also, I don't like. Shahid's acting I know is good, but my brain tells me that no, like I don't like his acting in this because I don't like the movie that much. The first time I watched it, I everything that was happening on screen, my expression was, why is this the route the movie is taking, dude? A lot of it was that, and yeah, I don't like it at all.
Snehal?
I think it's trash.
I've had a journey with this film. Like when the film came out, I watched it and so क्या होता है ना जब आप कोई फिल्म देखते हो या एक नॉर्मल वो अंडरडॉग सिंड्रोम नहीं होता कि जब सारी दुनिया एक चीज़ पे हेट कर रही होती है आपका मन करता है यार डिफेंड करते हैं ना पिक्चर को क्या जाएगा ठीक है तो उस टाइम पे ना इतना अवेयर ना उतना पढ़ा ना इतना कुछ समझा तो जब पिक्चर देख कर आया तो मेरे अंदर वो वाला लेंस लेके चल रहा था मैं कि यार हम स्टोरी को स्टोरी की तरह क्यों नहीं देख रहे एक्टिंग को एक्टिंग की तरह क्यों नहीं देख रहे क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा उसने परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी करी है तो इसलिए सही है तुम शायद को क्यों ब्लेम कर रहे हो इस चीज़ में बट देन over the years when you become more aware when you read more when you understand the dynamics more then you realize ki yeah it's trash but genuinely
Yeah.
see again this is a very subjective take that one can have on
would
Kabir
say,
Singh
yeah.
as an actor as you rightly said he's done a phenomenal job
Yeah.
which I feel as an actor he's always done a very good job.
So my point is this, right? I am also conflicted, but if you feel repulsive while watching this character,
The movie is doing
doesn't
a
that
good-
mean he's done a good job?
He's
Again,
done a good
agreed,
job.
agreed.
He's done a good job.
But that's never a movie I'm gonna watch.
And again,
like happily ever again.
भाई वही ना जब आप फिल्म के ग्राफ में उसको हैप्पी एंडिंग दे देते हो ग्लोरीफाई कर देते हो उसको हर चीज को जस्टिफाई कर देते हो तो फिर वो चीज
Also, because
वो एक sad taste
because
छोड़ देती है.
Yeah, it doesn't. Also, the logical, like I feel like the plot does not proceed logically in this movie.
Okay.
Like he does
Fair,
such
yeah,
atrocious
yeah.
मतलब
things in a
ऐसा
way.
हाँ बैंगर म्यूजिक रॉक म्यूजिक बज रहा है जब वो एंटर कर रहा है सिगरेट वो धुएं चश्मे वगैरह एंड इज लिटरली फोर्सिंग हिमसेल्फ ऑन समवन राइट ऑन लाइक अ फकिंग नाइफ पॉइंट ऑफ द नाइफ जो भी कहते हैं उसको भाई ऐसे रख के इफ यू फोर्सिंग एंड ऊपर से पीछे से म्यूजिक ऐसा बज रहा है कि भाई ही इज डूइंग सच अ
yeah.
डूड थिंग
Glorifying
it some it just leaves a bad taste.
So trash for you. What about you?
Trash, absolute trash.
I was gonna say mediocre, but
Trash,
I'm okay
bro.
with trash.
Trash. Out and out trash. Again, this trash does not come from does not come for Shahid's acting.
This is definitely a director thing, dude. Yeah.
But then aren't we judging Shahid's movies as Shahid's movies in this?
हाँ, but we are judging movies also, no? Performance के हिसाब से
Fair.
तो
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक
And I
है.
think this is like for instance, like Wanga has a very loud persona as a director.
Yeah.
Where now you can see the Wangaisms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like there are not many directors that do that. Even Vishal Bhardwaj has some of Bhardwajisms, but they aren't as they don't scream at you.
Correct. Yeah.
So because of
Sure.
that, I think this is definitely a more Wanga film
Okay.
than a Shahid Kapoor film.
Comment section. Tell us what you think of.
Yeah, please, I would
us
like to know.
putting
Like for
this in
instance,
trash.
Kirti loves Kabir
Yeah,
Singh.
yeah, yeah.
Bro, I know a lot of people who love Kabir
Yeah,
Singh.
exactly.
I know
And
a lot of people.
all these
who
toxic
Kabir Singh-
people.
I know a lot of people that love Kabir Singh.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is what it is, man. Yeah.
Okay, now this last stretch of movies is interesting. 2022, he does Jersey, which you have seen.
Bro, I love it.
It's also very
I
good.
know it's a remake. Same film. same title, but Shahid Kapoor, my God, he's done a beautiful job. Again, I know मैंने originally देखी है. A lot of people in the comments will be like कि भाई original देखेगा तो शाहिद कपूर का भूल जाएगा. I get it. I totally get it. But right now we're talking about Shahid films, Shahid performances. I've only seen the Shahid version, Jersey का.
तो
Beautiful.
So what, great or good?
Great for me. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Since you're the only one who's seen it, I think it
Yeah,
has
I
to go in
haven't
great.
seen it.
So it has to go in great.
But
right?
bro, this movie was a bomb. It was
Bomb.
made on a budget of 80 crores. It earned 28
Bro,
crores.
But bro,
bombed and how?
There are multiple reasons, man. This is pandemic के just बाद.
पैंडेमिक
People
के
are still
जस्ट
not
बाद था,
comfortable.
रीमेक था, इतनी कुछ इसकी प्रमोशन हाइप वगैरह कुछ नहीं
Correct,
थी.
correct, yeah. All
Okay.
that, multiple reasons. Yeah.
So putting it in great just on his word.
Yeah, man, because what else? Who are we to say anything?
2023, Bloody Daddy.
Oh, trash.
Trash, absolute trash.
Absolute trash.
And that kid. And the
I
worst
think
kid
we've
actor.
reviewed this movie.
Yeah, bro,
sure.
trash.
क्या नाम है? Bloody Daddy.
One of the first few highly anticipated films on Jio Cinema
Yeah,
when
yeah,
this was
yeah.
an app.
Yeah.
Wow,
I mean,
dude.
it's still an app. But
It's
it was
not. भाई अब
launched.
तो ले लिया ना, हाई हॉटस्टार ले लिया ना
मतलब-
जियो ने.
But Hotstar is also an app, no?
Okay, ठीक है.
It's
बोल,
Jio
next.
Hotstar.
हाँ.
Next is a movie I have seen. तेरी बातों में ऐसा
Oh.
उलझा जिया. Mediocre.
Midi.
Yeah.
Yeah, very midi.
And his last theatrical release in 2025, which was Deva.
Oh, trash, bro.
Bro, not trash.
Bro,
Again,
trash
mediocre.
only, dude.
Bro, Shahid was very good. Most of the movie, I think, was good. The end, they couldn't stick the landing, I think. Most of the movie was very good, dude. You don't like at all? Most of the movie, I thought was very good.
Okay,
So what do I put in? Mediocre or trash?
For me, mediocre.
Okay.
Mediocre then.
We did not mention in 2023 he did a web series for Amazon Prime called
Fuzzy.
Bro, that's a masterpiece.
Which
Great,
masterpiece तो
great,
नहीं,
great.
I would say good.
I think
Great.
masterpiece.
तीन
bro.
है masterpiece, great, good.
So, yeah, I think masterpiece, man. So it has to be in great.
Yeah. I mean,
If all three of us
is
are...
it better than Family Man and other Raj and DK stuff that they have done?
Bro, it's better than Guns N' Gloves.
Yeah, better than Guns N' Gloves. I'll give you that.
Yeah. So great. Guns N' Gloves is good. It's not terrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say it's great.
Yeah,
Great.
great.
On an average, then
Okay,
we go for
but so-
Fuzzy. But Fuzzy is a web
So
series.
we are basically
yeah.
counting filmography, but since Fuzzy is the only show,
It's the only show
we
that
can
he's
put it in
done.
the list. Yeah.
We can put it there.
And yeah.
So yeah, that is Shahid's filmography.
So that's let me
we
just
have.
count.
Two masterpieces, four greats.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 goods. 8 goods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mediocres. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, some 8 trash.
बहुत बैलेंस में काम
Yeah,
किया है
भाई.
Bro,
शाहिद ने.
hence Seth. That's what I'm
8
saying,
trash
dude.
and 4 not seen for me.
Okay,
Bro,
Four
I'll
not
tell
seen.
you. I think we've aced the ranking.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I think we are not off by a lot when it comes to this. I think the most of the debate that's gonna happen would be on Kabir Singh. That's I think and
Yeah, sure.
क्योंकि
I
हमने
would say
उसको
also
I think
Urta
Urta Punjab
yeah.
will see a lot of.
क्यों उड़ता हुआ हमने कहाँ डाली है?
हमने great में डाली है, but because of what Abbas said.
हाँ तो अब हमने जहाँ eventually डाली है, that is
That's
I
fair.
think the final word
That's fair.
from us. I think that's
Also,
gonna
I
be
think people
fine.
Ishq Vishq have like a very soft spot for Ishq Vishq. We put in mediocre. And Diwan Mein Pagal is mediocre for some reason.
Yeah, it is. It should be
Should be
trash.
masterpiece. All right.
हाँ, I think the
yeah.
only major point of debate
Contention.
would be Kabir Singh.
Okay,
Yeah.
fair enough.
कि
fair enough.
trash में जाएगा कि masterpiece में जाएगा. I think there's no in
दो ही
between.
है.
Yeah. Yeah, well,
But
let
yeah,
us
that was quite an
absolutely.
extensive filmography
Yeah.
of Shahid Kapoor.
Dude, that took a while.
That
1 hour,
took a
40
while.
minutes is what you're recording. Hopefully, you see
Wow.
a little less of that. Let us know what you think of each of these films. We would really like to know. If you have your own tier lists and if you have suggestions for what actor we can do a tier list of next, we would love to hear that. We are thinking of doing a director's tier list also.
Are we?
Yeah, we.
I mean, I just had a thought. I thought I'd put it out there.
Sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
why
What we
not?
can do a director's tier list in 2 ways. Either one, we can do all directors and we put each director in what tier of director we think is. Rohit Shetty being trash. Rohit
Bro, Rohit Shetty to masterpiece.
Shetty masterpiece.
Gulzar trash.
Trash. You get it. So that'll be an interesting
Yeah,
discussion
yeah.
also. and another would be ranking
One
directors.
filmography, yeah.
Filmography. Let us know what do you think of all these. Again, if you came for our live on 23rd of Feb, I forgot बीच में हमने
23rd of Jan.
23rd of Jan.
What is it with you guys and Feb, dude?
हम 23rd of Feb को भी कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं?
Oh yes.
Yeah, bro. 23rd of Jan. Please, thank you so much if you guys came. And if you haven't,
not,
please make sure you come for the next one.
Next one, yes.
Anything else you want to plug, guys?
No, follow me on Instagram, AbbasMomin88. Comment section for my interviews. The Abbas Momin YouTube channel for some listicles and stuff that I put out. And yeah, those are the only things.
Join our memberships. We have 2 tiers: the caramel popcorn tier and the salted popcorn tier. We have some perks for that. If you are
जो भी member थे और जो इसके लिए live के लिए आए थे उन सबको free entry मिली by the way.
free entry मिली, by the way, and also they get free movie tickets every other week.
And free and more episodes.
And a few more episodes. Yes, every month. So that, please follow me on Instagram. I'm Antariksh T on Instagram. I'm recording That Filmy Game Show on the 22nd with Anirban and Vaibhav. Hopefully, this episode will be
But it's already done.
So it'll be the next month. The next month, I have a few recordings coming on the end of the month of the January 29th and 30th. Hopefully, you'll see the listings for those by the time this episode comes out. Snail?
No, that's it. Just please
Follow him everywhere.
Follow me on Instagram and
We're looking for more work, by the way. The 3 of us,
yes.
as professional podcasters and
Production.
showrunners, production handlers, production managers.
Yes.
We are looking for projects. If you or your company are looking for people who can handle all of this stuff for you, so you don't have to, we are the people to look for.
Yeah.
So, shout out to band
Us.
managers. All right, guys. See you again next week.
Yes. See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.